Let's go. Today's AMC. Oh wow. Good morning, guys. Christina, Benoit. Good morning, Vincent, Tesh, Brian, William, C. Jory Zio. Good morning, Jason. Good morning. I see Dub. Good morning. Pupu Kaka. Let's go. Opayemi. Good morning. Good morning, James. Good morning, Kiki Benz. Good morning, Beth. Good morning, Tara Freenemi. Good morning, Jason. Let's go, Josh. Jameson, slacking. Uh, Andy, good morning. BLM, let's go. Mr. Roadside, good morning. Good morning. Sandy, good morning. Gabba's up. Gabba's Unite. Good morning. Good morning. The music. James. Good morning. Good morning. Ghost, good morning. Saud, feel like in the Scarface movie? Once to get the money, you get the power. Oh, okay. Casey, good morning. Dario, good morning. Adam, good morning. Good morning, Jeremy. CI, yeah, looks good. Let's go, Mike. Good morning, Mike. Greetings from Boston, Massachusetts. Keep up the great work. More, thank you very much. Let's go. Alrighty, guys. We're gonna take a look at some pre-market movers here, guys, just to make sure. See if we can find some other place before we get into BBIG and AMC and SPRT. But again, like BBIG looks fine there, chilling around 11:30 there. SPRT is questionable, even though we're okay. It's questionable still. AMC. AMC looks like it wants to go, guys. AMC looks like it wants to go to that for that 50, guys. That 50 currently sitting at 49.33. Impressive. There you go. Reminder. Get to that soon. Sean, good morning, Sean. Bovnesh, good morning. Blue, Glenn, JS, good morning, Maddie. In the house, Modara, KB, BBIG. There we go, KB. Marco, let's go, Marco. Good morning, Peter, Brandon. Good morning, guys. KB says, I repeat, those trading BBIG know that currently there are 88,547 pending orders waiting to execute from 974 to a high of 1580, with some orders coming in at 50K share blocks. Wow. Thank you very much, KB. Thank you. KB is our resident. There you go. We have a new member though, guys. There you go. We're waking up, pumping. There you go. BP, thank you very much. Really appreciate that. I know you've been watching for a bit, so thank you very much for the support. Thank you. Welcome to the family. One more member as well here. Hazel, been slacking. Hazel, just kidding. Welcome, Hazel. Welcome, Hazel. Thank you very much for the support. I know you've been very active, so I really appreciate that. Thank you. Welcome. Send me an email at the top of the screen there, and I will send you an invite to come join us in Discord. And again, guys, once you join Discord, you have to connect your stuff. So again, all the instructions are in the very first channel. They connect to the Discord channel, or just click on your name bottom left, and then click on connections, and then click on YouTube, and then you'll be good to go. Welcome, guys. Welcome. So. There you go. Hazy. I told you, Friday you're in. Okay, Friday. Okay, sounds good. Welcome, guys. Just chilling. Thoughts on CEI stock. I'm in with a position, but not sure what a good exit would be. Okay, just chilling. We can take a look at CEI in a bit here, guys. We can take a look at CEI. Pump it blue. Moves. Big moves. Wash your bets. Big moves, blue. What do you mean? We're currently sitting red in that position though, right? So, oh man, Hazel, thank you very much. Hazel says, thanks for all you do. Thank you. Hey, thank you very much, Hazel. Really appreciate that. Give you a super chat dance. Let's go. Thank you very much, Hazel. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Hey, X9, good morning. 55, 55th Rio there. Morning. Good morning. Good morning. I'm at home today trading, so I'm looking at the NASDAQ data linked to reviews. Okay. If you need any, okay. Thank you. Thank you, KB. Thank you very much. Made it to the team, Hazel. Yeah, Hazel made it on the team, guys. Hazel made it on the team there. So another super chat here from John. Eat my short says, "Good morning, family. I'm feeling good about today. Let's go to the moon." Let's go, guys. Oh wow! Thank you guys very much for the support, guys. Really appreciate that. If you haven't smashed the like yet, guys, take a second, smash that like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you can share the link as well, that would be amazing. And then TTOO, Josh, just looking at that from Jameson there this morning, about their news, their detection. Again, I can pull that up in a bit here, Josh. So what is the tick? So TTO here again. This one here, right? So again, if it dips back to a dollar or just below, I will be looking to get into TT. Otherwise, letting it go. Okay, sounds good. We'll take a look. We'll take a look at the chart. Meg, good morning, Meg. Ray, Maddie. Friday would be AMC. Would be AMC day. AMC day today. AMC. We won $50, guys. We talked about getting to $50 here this week. With both. I'm in at the dollar exactly. Okay, in at the dollar as well. Wow. Okay, let's start getting into it, right? So I'm gonna share my pre-market chart list, my pre-market chart here, guys. As my green screen is always making some funny glitches there. Some pre-market movies here, guys. I just like taking a look at this list just to make sure we're not missing anything that we should be looking at. So number one on the list here is IC. Take a symbol ISEE here. Everic Bio here up about 60, 50, 57% here with some fairly good volume, right? 15 million shares traded already pre-market here. Right. So again, I want to take a look and see why these guys are moving here this morning. Again, I know you guys can see this yet, but I can't. So Credit Suisse. Oh wow. Okay. So Credit Suisse maintains outperform on Everic Bio, raises price target to $18 again. So those guys got a price target upgrade there. They also had some news, so trading higher after. So they had some news as well, right? Again, so a price target upgrade and news, right? So again, shares are trading higher after Apellis Pharmaceuticals reported results from its phase 3 okay studies in Note Averic Bio, a competitor to also is also working on a product to treat geographic atrophy. Okay, cool. Okay. But I think the most important thing, honestly, for me is that price target at $18 price target there, right? Some from Credit Suisse there for that ticker there. Some I'll keep a close eye on that one there. Above 20, Josh. Wow. Oh, once I get through these things, guys, I can take some take a request here from you guys. Again, I'm gonna skip maybe not. Hey, here. I'm gonna skip that then. Again, I know it's up 52% here with again 228,000 shares there, Echo, but I'm gonna skip that because again, I'm just gonna skip it. So TTOO here, guys, is what Josh was talking about. Is what I looked at this morning. They had some news this morning as well, right? So again, the shares are trading higher after the company announced is a T2 SARS dash cov dash 2 panel proved capable of detecting the MU uh well do I want to go into more detail here? The phase 2 we'll talk about this later, guys. We'll talk about this news later because again, for me again, I think we all we care about is again the fact that there's a catalyst to this, right? For the most part, the thing we really care about is that there's a catalyst to that, but we want to take a look at the chart right again. So when I start seeing those complicated names there, I'm like, okay, you know what? And then the firm here is I don't know anyone holding a firm at Jameson. A firm, and then we have ENDP here, guys. We have ENDP up about 21% here, 3 million in volume. This one's really interesting, right? Again, $2.55 here. So I'm gonna keep a close eye on that one here. We actually have a fair bit of pre-market movers this morning. Wow. Again, so 1 second here, guys. I'm gonna quickly escape them. I just want to quickly do some stuff here. There you go. Just want to quickly fix the list here. Fix. There you go. There you go. So I'm gonna take a look at. I want to take a look at this here. ENDP there. Why are they up this morning? Endo International shares are trading higher after the company announced it settled New York State opioid cases and provided an update on a remaining opioid litigation. Okay, cool. Cool, cool, cool. So keep a close eye on that one as well. There, I'm gonna close out a few tabs here. And then here we go. What else do I want to look at here? What else on the list would you guys like me to take a look at here? I see SOS. I know SOS is up on some fairly good volume here, but it's 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 also questionable for me, honestly. SOS is up because why? SOS are trading after the company reported first half of 2021 sales results of 184 million, representing an increase of 17 times over the same period of 2020. Okay, cool. 184 million in sales there, right? So, and the market seems to love that. But I'm gonna keep a honestly, SOS is always so like I don't know. This thing moves and then it gives away the gain, so it's always been that's a concern for me there, right? So again, I'm gonna leave it there. So I'm gonna be watching. Keep a close on ENDP there and TTO there, and then of course Everic here, right? I see. So I'm gonna be what else are you guys watching this morning? CEI is ripping. CEI is actually ripping, guys. Ripping, ripping. We're ripping. Is it on this list? In the list, is it ripping? Is it ripping? I'll take a look, guys. I'll take a look. Obviously, that's one of the names that we need to keep an eye out for. So I'll take a look here. Not on the list yet. Not on the pre-market movers list yet. So one second. Let me take a look at it somewhere else there. CEI, yeah. So the next level to watch on CEI is what level, guys? Is one on 150, 150 there, right? That we talked about 150, 170, 170, and then $2 there. So we're gonna be keeping an eye out for some of those names there. How much more time do we have here? Okay, we have a. I know he's it's yeah, but it's performed well as of late though, right? MMAT. So what else do I want to take a look at here? So again, pre-market movers there. Again, let me take a look at the losers here, guys. Pre-market losers. OSAT here, Novavax here. I'm just looking at the popular names here, guys. Apellis. Huh, interesting. That's actually interesting them. Number one them. IMPL there, down 21% there. Okay, 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 okay. La, 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 la. Alrighty, I'm gonna leave it there and let's take a look at some charts. Some charts. Super, the Fed is super, super, super great. Yeah, today and oh, you mean SPRT? The vote today and yeah, I know. I know, I know, I know. Let me go back to the charts here, guys, and then we can talk about everything else. So again, BBIG guys, again, green up pre-market here, up about 4% pre-market, so that looks fine. SPRT is not quite sure what it wants to do, honestly. Not sure. And then we have AMC here, right? Again, there's a level here for AMC. Even though we're looking for $40 there, guys, there's a level here, right, at 49.20. Can't remember when I put this line in, but it seems like again we broke above that line and it's trying to hold us support here, right? So it's gonna be something to watch for. Honestly, it's still 47 and 50 for me, right? Those are the two levels that I'm really paying attention to there. So I'm gonna switch over to some bigger time frames here, guys. Maybe to some other charts here. So again, this is BBIG there, right? So I want to take a look at CEI though. CEI is currently having a nice move here, right? Nice moves. We talked about this. We talked about this again. 130 level, right? Again, broke above, right? If we can clear this level again, nice push above, retracement test 105 and hold that level. What are we looking for? We're looking for 130, right? We closed right at 130, right? Closed right at 130 there. And this morning, right? That level is not becoming support, and now we're looking for 150. So I'm gonna have to take a look at the daily chart so we can see where that level is coming from on CI there. So again, if you're holding this play here, looks fine, right? That's completely okay there. We're having a nice little gap up this morning, so you want to be careful with that. Again, gap ups are usually for people. Some people take profits. Again, you're gonna be, what am I trying to say here? Some of these names, right, that are running this morning, you want to be very cautious with them when you're trying to play them into a Friday, into the weekend, because people love to take profits going into the weekend, right? So just be a little bit cautious there. I think it might be a little bit different here today, this week, just because again, when crypto is doing well, that applies a lot more, because again, people are like, oh my goodness, crypto is doing well, so I'm going to take whatever profits I have to go buy, to go again, take whatever profits to go buy to play crypto over the weekend, right? And then come back on Monday. But when crypto is rubbish, people might just stick around, right? So it's going to be interesting here again. So again, support 130, resistance at 150 here, right? And then maybe I'll take a look at the for CI here. I'll take a look at the daily chart as well. Then so let's see here. There we go, right? So I'm gonna zoom out again. As you can see, that's 150 there, right? Again, as you can see, there are quite a few times where you run to 150 here and struggled at 150, right? Again, 150 there, initially support at 150, right? 150 fail, getting close to 150 retracement, 150 retracement there, nice push to 150 and then flush, right? Again, some we're gonna be keeping a close out on there 150, and then we have 170, right? 170, yep, and then 170, and then we're looking for $2, honestly, right? So $2, that's what we're looking for there. But yeah, $2 again. That $2 level is more of a psychological level, because when I look at the chart here, I see levels higher than that. I'm looking more of like the 120s, the 110s. But yeah, we're just gonna keep an eye out for 150, 170, and then $2 in before we can talk about some higher levels there. And then what else? I think I'm missing some super chats here. Super chat from John. Thank you very much, John, for the super chat. Let's go. John says, if you believe in Doge, Bitcoin is crashing. I suggest everyone take half their gains today and buy Doge. It's on sale right now. There you go, right? You see what I'm talking about, guys? Again, people do this, right? Again, people take half of the profits on these other plays to go play crypto over the weekend, right? So AMC is near 50. I know, right? Just chilling. AMC trying to push for that $50. Let's go, guys. Let's go. VIH. Okay, I'll take a look at VI Amber. Good morning, Amber. Can we have a morning sockets for the nurse for my nurses? We've been watching you every morning. While I I do chemo this week. Okay, absolutely. 1 second here. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. Uh. That's amazing, honestly, Nathan. I might need to DM you. Good morning, Amber. Good morning. But absolutely, I'm gonna give you guys a morning socket. I need to get in the Nathan. I need to get in the mood here. What do I say, Nathan and the nurses socket. There you go. Can you take a look at EAT? Oh, of course I can. VIH, of course I can there. That's yeah. Some Doge this morning. Oh man. Just so they okay, absolutely. All and all. Okay, that's amazing. Honestly, Nathan. I'll send you a message, and get to know you more. But yeah, that's there you go. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Welcome. Cancer can suck it. There you go. I wanted to say that, Nathan. Cancer can suck it, but yeah, yeah. I'll send. Yeah, there you go. Uh, Alrighty, guys. That's that. I don't know. That I don't know. That feel like that made my day too, Nathan. That's amazing. That's amazing, amazing. So let me take a look at. I wanted to take a look at what else, guys. I see some. I know IC is performing well this morning, right? These guys had some news and they're looking very good. So I'm gonna take a look at the daily chart here, right? So again, up about 57% this morning. Let's take a look here. So again, that's a nice gap up there, right? 1370, 1360. 67 there. I just want to quickly zoom out here, guys, just to make sure we're not missing any levels here. But when I see stuff like this, it's pretty scary, right? So when I see like one massive candle like out of nowhere, right, falling like a watermelon, and crashing to the bottom here, that's pretty scary. So I'm gonna be a little bit cautious with this stuff here. Again, these guys have news. Let me take a quick look again and see if TradingView has it here. September the 10th. I see following a narrow loss to the okay, that's not it. These guys don't have the news yet, so I'm gonna skip that there. So if you have any questions about what news we're looking at there, please go ahead and ask. But yeah, again, for this name here, I'd be waiting again as usual. Let the market open. Let it sell off a little bit. Gap ups are usually for selling, right? People take profits, especially on the Friday. So again, let this thing move, find support, and then we can talk about potential entries on this name here, right? Some I see. I see there. And then we're looking at TTO, right? TTO here, TTOO. Then again, I know some of you guys are watching this one very closely as well. So these guys closed at 87, and then they had some news here, and they're gapping up about 23% this morning, right? So, but they're gapping up to a very key level, right? So I know we're looking for that retracement there. So I'm gonna leave this line, actually leave that there, and then put another one like right there. So for example, again, some nice retracement here. We broke below this level, fell off here, right, and found new support around like 80 whatever cents here. So this level is actually right at a dollar, right? So if this thing can retrace right to a dollar here and hold that dollar, okay, and then we can talk about entries, right? Because again, as you can see here, a dollar is support, right, guys? Again, that's a dollar there, that's a dollar there, right? That's a dollar holding. That's a dollar holding, right? Again, we're gapping up above a dollar here. So again, try not to FOMO because again, you're FOMO in the middle of that range, right? In between like resistance at 120, support at the dollar here, right? So if we can gap down to a dollar here, that doesn't look too bad. Too bad there, right? So there you go. I'll take a look at VIH. Okay, I'll take a look at VIH, BGFV there. Okay, cool. Baby boo, baby boy Nando. Uh I mean, there you go. So let me keep going here. Let me keep going here. I think there's one more that I wanted to look at here, right? Again, TTO there, guys, looking for that dollar, and then we are looking for ENDP here. Another one with news, right? So again, let's take a look. Up about 21% this morning. If I can get this to work there, 21% this morning, right? So I'm gapping up to 255 there. Also, it seems like we've done this before. Like it seems like we've done this short before here, and you want to be a little bit cautious here. Again, I feel like that's some bad news here, and then flushed all the way down there. You want to be cautious as we approach this level here at like 270, right? Because again, resistance, of course, right? Again, nothing changes with all these names, right, guys? Again, let people take some profits, let them settle, prove to you that they're finding support, and then we can go from there, right? If this thing can clear about 270 here, yeah, we have a lot of room all the way to 272 here. We have a lot of room all the way to 350, right? So again, let's give this some time here to decide. And I'm gonna take a look at VIH here. VIH. It's one that we looked at as well on multiple occasions here. Was slightly right here this morning. VIH, honestly, what are we holding? $10 in? Yeah, that's okay, right? So, what are we holding then? Why is the line not at $10? Where's this line at 10? 10, 10, 10, 10, 50? Should be oh no, there's another one at 10. That's why. That was on the way up there. Okay, cool. Never mind. So again, as long as this thing again support, we talked about this as well, right? Again, initial again, as you can see here, we have some good support at $10 there, right? So again, if you're looking for an entry on this play via HM, as long as this thing continues to sit above $10, you're fine for now, right? If we can reclaim, right? If we can continue to find a way to close above 1050 here, then that means we're finding a new level of support, right, guys? Again, support as you can see here, resistance at 1050 here, right? So again, if we can find a way to break above this again previous resistance level here, close above that level, okay, that means again we've gone on a nice run all the way to 13, right? Now we're finding new support about 1050 here. Okay, now we're going to return back to $12 there, right? Again, so watch this 1050 level here. If that level doesn't hold, you're watching for $10 there, right? So just watch that closely there. And then B for education here, BGFV education. Big sporting. I know I've looked at this one a few times as well here. Or yeah, some 4% move yesterday. Yeah, we've looked at this before as well here. Some again, we cleared that level there. What are we looking for here? Again, it's always funny how some of these things play out over and over and over, right? Again, as you can see, again, nice run all the way to 36 there, right? Education and sell off, right? Again here and sell off again. Well, are we doing the same thing again here? We are, right? So again, watch this level here, $25, right? Again, if we can test $25 and hold that level, that might be your entry level. Unless we start finding new support, right? On the education, unless we start finding new support, 25 is the next level of support, and then 25 would be that next level of support. Then some 25 $25 there, right? So again, and then on the way up, you're initially you're looking here for $32 on the way up here. I'm gonna put another line there. Just because it seems like we're finding a new level there to fail at. Some, as you can see here, right? Education for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 days there, we failed to close above at $32 there, right? So again, watch that level, watch 36, right? If you can reclaim this $32 level here, $30, okay, maybe we're ready to go back higher. If we can find new support around here, but you need that confirmation though, right? So, but for now though, again, it seems like every time we push that level, we are retracing, right? Retracing there again, and on this occasion here, we actually stopped like right around 27. So Yeah, but again, for now though, again, every time we push to 36, sell off. 36, sell off, right? So just be a little bit cautious there, and then we can, yeah. I'm not sure if you're in it already, right? Education, maybe let me know. How about Roots, Mandy? I'll take a look at Root. Can you take a look at SOS? I'll take a look at SOS. How much more time do you have? 6 minutes. 6 minutes. So I have to run through a few of these tickers here, guys. Again, ENDP. I looked at ENDP already. So if you have any specific questions, let me know. Let me know. Buenos dias, Raymond. Hello, Todd. Hello, guys. Hello, R. Let's go. Ray, good to see you. There you go. Let's see here. What do I want to look at? Is SOS RKLB there? ENVB them is another one there. And then what else? I just want to quickly get a list of names here before I go back to the chart. Them some. Jeremy wants me to take a look at CRXT. Guys, again, if we miss your ticker, guys, we're going to obviously come back and take a look. Once the market settles, we're going to take a look at these tickers again. Right, so I'll take a look at CRXT them. For Jeremy, there's CRXT. Oh, that's what it is. That's what it is. Completely forgot them. So again, this is the one we looked at the other day, right? We looked at these guys not too long ago. You guys remember Blue W, guys? Blue W, and $10 here. Blue W is actually gonna be I want to keep a very close eye on this one here. Actually, some new ticker again. These guys had a merger. Was it yesterday, right? So again, initially the ticker symbol again is back, right? The ticker symbol was a Blue W. So now the new ticker symbol is CRXT here. So I'm gonna have to keep a very close eye on this name here because I'm interested to see what these guys are doing here. So that's cool. That's cool. So green there. We're looking for $10 here, right? Jeremy. So again, if this thing can break above $10 and close above and hold above $10 here, right? And then we're looking for some bigger moves there. So I'm gonna keep a close eye on that one once the market opens there. ATER, Philip. Take a look at ATER. We have 4 minutes there. ATR, and then I have to take a look at Roots as well. ATR. And yeah, Messi, of course, guys. Messi. We're gapping up this morning again on ATR. Yeah, we are. What do we do? We need to clear the $11. Okay, cool. So we closed above 10:30. No, not yet. $10. Yes, we closed above $10 yesterday, so that's a very good start, right? Again, very good start here for ATR. Again, if you're holding ATR, guys, again, this thing looks completely okay here, right? It's gone in a nice run again, found support, broke above this level here at 840 there, 840. Nice break above again, nice push, retracement, cup and handle, right? Again, back up to that level again, and then there you go, right? And now we're looking very good here. If we can find a way to close above these levels here, right? Next level of resistance you're looking at is $11, right? Again, can we hold? 10:30 here today, right? Can we hold 10:30 here? Get above 11. If we can get above 11, what you're looking for next is all the way to $14 on ATR, right? So those are your levels there to watch. And then what else? I wanted to take a look at Roots here, guys. Roots. Again, we've looked at CEI already. So again, CEI, the levels to watch, guys. Again, hold. Again, 130. 130. You know what's funny, guys? I was something funny came to, like sometimes the words I say, people remind me of the words, and then when I say them, it's funny to me. So, uh, what are we doing here on Roots? Roots looks fine, right? Looks okay here. Again, fact that we pushed all the way there, retraced back to support at $6, right? Again, so if you got in at $6, that's amazing. But just be a little bit cautious here on Roots because we are approaching some key resistance here, right? $7. If we can clear $7 and hold above $7, okay, look good. It looks good because now we're breaking above. Again, doesn't go back that far. So now we're clearing this level and actually holding above that level, right? So again, we need to break above $7 and hold $7. Be cautious around this level here. My suggestion would be to wait for it to clear above this level and confirm that it's holding above this level on an hourly basis or something, and then you can go from there, right? Because if you hold buying just below resistance here, you're asking for a little bit of trouble, right? Just in case we decide to drop back down here, right? Just be careful there. How much time do we have here? 1 minute, guys. So I'm gonna leave it there for now. We can come back to these tickers, guys. Market opens in less than a minute here, so I want to watch some other names here as the market is open. Obviously, we want to be watching BBIG, right? So BBIG is having a nice little gap up this morning, and then I'm gonna fix the charts here for some other names here. That's SPRT there, guys. Again, $25, and then we have AMC here at 49, right? So market opens in a bit here, so I'm gonna leave up those tickers for now. And here we go. So I'm gonna leave our BBIG there, and then yeah. Are you guys ready for the market to open? SOS. I'll take a look at SOS and SONM, guys. Rita and Shonak. I'll take a look at those names here in a bit. Just want to watch the market open here, guys. Sort of right before open, I see the up. It's Friday, guys. It's Friday. Like that's just the Friday effect. People are like, you know what? I want to take my money and run. And here we are dropping at the open, guys. Dropping at the open. SPRT here dropped, struggling at the open there, right? AMC, guys. AMC might be the name. Here we go on AMC, guys. Here we go. Here we go. I'm honestly excited to see what AMC is gonna do here today because we might just crack that $30 level there. Question. Oh no, here we go. Here we go, guys. Here we go. We've been waiting, guys. It's been a long time coming, honestly. SPRT here, guys, is very questionable. Not quite sure what it wants to do here. BBIG, guys, holding $11, so it's fine for now. But this level, right, 1130 is an absolute rock. Like it's just so tough to break above and hold above. Concerning, that's fine there. AMC, AMC. Let's go AMC 50. Question for you guys. Do you guys think AMC is going to break above $50 today? Yes or no? AMC breaks above $50, guys. Yes or no? Let me know. Yes or no? Let's go 50. Let's go 50. Nah. What do you think about nah? Here we go. Wow. 30 cents, guys. 20. Oh, here we go, guys. Here we go. It just seems like it's inevitable now. I not another funny word for me. Most definitely. Okay. We're 12 cents away, guys. 12 cents away there. SPRT is again BBIG, guys, trying to get back to 1130. SPRT is the one that's really questionable here today. Like it's with the vote there. It's honestly really questionable. The fact that this thing's like this week here. So might need to look at that a little bit closer there. 30 cents, guys. 30 cents. Yes. AMC above 50, of course. Yeah, we've been waiting for this, guys. We've been waiting to break above $50 here this week on AMC. So let's get it. Stalker says no. Mandy says no. No 50 today. Okay, sounds good. Email says no. Okay, of course. Lucky Charms, of course. Meg says yes. I know, right? Someone said SPRT. I know, guys. But green as day today. Green as day. Is there a name? Is there a day? Green as day. And he's at $7. Yeah, Nas. Okay, sounds good. So again, we're currently rejecting ads, $50, right? Again, this is why you want to be patient with these names. Why? Because there's just a lot of volatility at the open, right? Especially on the Friday, you want to be a little bit cautious here. Let these things settle before you make that decision for yourself. We had a nice push, retracing and holding. We're trying to hold that level there, right? Trying to. So let's see if we can. And then SPRT is yeah, this thing is really struggling here. Like it's really struggling. There's some, there we go, and flushing SPRT. BBIG on the other hand though looks fine to me here, right? Again, well, as soon as I say that, be careful around 1130 though, right? This is not a if you're looking for BBIG, guys, be cautious. If you're looking for a brand new position, be careful buying just below this level, because every time we hit this level here, for the most part, we've had a nice little flush, right? We're currently sitting at $11 here, so just be a little bit cautious there. And here we are flushing now, right? Again, you can see it. That's funny. Guys, I didn't say sell. Not yeah. So there you go. SPRT trying to recover here a little bit. Come on. EMC, come on. BBIG, let's go. Let me see here. Switch. Looks ENVB looks good. Yeah, we talked about ENVB yesterday as well. Uh, in the first minute, 4.2 million. Yeah. BBIG has a lot of volume, and BBIG is not below $11, right? You want to be careful, right, guys? Again, you want to be careful when it comes to buying just below resistance on anything, right? Same thing with buy AMC just below $50. You want to be careful there because people take profits, and guess what? Sell off, right? You want to be careful here buying this stuff around just below 11 because people take profits again. But $11 might be the new level of support, but we need that confirmation though, right? So watch for $11 there very closely. 11. SPRT trying to recover here a little bit. Let's see if we can recover here. And yeah, not quite sure then. Not quite sure. And guys, again, reminder, if you haven't smashed a like yet, if you can take a second and smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel. That'd be very much appreciated. So thank you guys very much. TGIF. It's everything you ever wanted, Robert, Richard. Uh, AMC. What about AMC? Let me see. Goku wants to go. GOCO there, Doug Haggard. Yeah, GOCO guys. That's just, those are the type of plays we want, right? Stuff that's sitting at the bottom and getting ready to go, right? So, what's up, Ryan? Where Ryan made on sheep $1,000 on sheep? Wow, Ryan, Mindy would be so proud of you, honestly. Wow, congrats, Ryan. Let's go. Let's go. We'll turn around, Kyle. Yeah, okay. Let's see. If SPRT starts breaking below like 2350, then that's a huge concern for me. Brian says, mate, I might take profits at 11:30 on BBIG or wait for. Does that sound like a good plan? Honestly, for me on BBIG, if you're planning on taking profits at 11:30, if we test 11:30 again, right? And it seemed again one of these times, so I'm going to test 11:30 and crush that level and not come back, right? So again, that's my concern for me. I'd more likely be looking for like on the way down, like again, just confirmation that okay, we're actually like not breaking that level and falling. That's what I'd be looking for instead, right? So there you go. GOCO is the next play. Let's go. I've taken probably multiple times 11:30 for BBIG, but still holding. There you go, right? I see that again. Yeah, if you're planning on taking profits, yeah, like 11:30 would be that level, right? If you're scalping, right? But if it's a long-term play and you're gonna regret selling at 11:30, just be cautious there, right? Some SPRT here. We're trying to recover here. Trying to. Come on, SPRT. AMC holding that support very nicely here, right? So holding its support level here very nicely at 49, so very good. And here we go. BBIG trying to recover as well. SPRT trying to break above 25. Some here we go, guys. Come on. Come on, come on, come on. Come on, BBIG. Here we go, guys. 11:24, 11:25. Come on. Again. Here you go, right? Some 11:33. And we broke above that level, right? Some and right back below. So again, this level is tough. Some with 11:28. Come on. Come on. Everything is now moving nicely here together. AMC guys trying to get back to $50, right? I have a feeling this thing is gonna crush $50 today, and just like most of you guys do, right? And here we are breaking above, right? Again, like we talked about, right? If you want to take profits, that's okay. But again, at some point here, this thing is gonna, like we talked about, crush this 11:30 here and not come back, right? So that's my only concern. But if you're scalping, again, according to this chart, that's your level, though, right? So there you go. And here we go on AMC, guys. Here we go. Here we go. AMC about to do it here now. Is AMC going to do it here now? Not yet. Okay, not yet. Not yet. And unable to close above yet still, right? Again, 11:30 is tough, guys. 11:30, unable to close above 11:30 yet. So if we can find a way to close above that level, and then okay, sure, we're good to go. Not quite doing it yet. Here we go, guys. Here we go. Can I get some $50 spams in the chat, guys? Spam the $50 to help AMC break above $50 here. Come on, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50, 50. Come on, come on, AMC. Let's give the people $50. We want 50. We want 50, guys. Come on. Come on, 94. They're helping, guys. They're helping. For the first time in a long time, we hit $50, right? We hit $50. Not quite breaking above yet. Come on, $50. 50? 50, guys. 50. Come on. Come on. 49. 49. Come on. The SPRT, guys, is running there as well there, right? So again, here we are. And we crushed it, guys. We crushed it. Let's go. AMC guys, above $50. 50 baby 50. Wow. Honestly, just take a second, guys. It's been tough. Honestly, not gonna lie. It's been tough. Like the journey here of AMC to 28 to $28 and trying to get back up here. The shorts, guys. I have a message for the shorts. You can suck it. You're welcome. There you go. $50. Again, now the question is, can we hold? Next level to watch, guys, is 52. So these levels are in already. $52 there, guys. That's the next level of resistance there on AMC. Wow. And guess what, guys? BBIG, guys, is rocking it. 1140. SPRT, guys, back to 25. These things are looking a little bit better here, right? So again, try not to FOMO, please. Try not to FOMO, please, and thank you, all right? Try not to FOMO. Try not to FOMO. There you go. Let's go. Let's go. Shorts, suck it. Shorts, suck it. There you go. Go, Bill. Let's go, Bill. AMC. Let's go, AMC. Guys, again, reminder if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, if you can take a second and smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, right? If you can share the link as well, guys, let's get some more people in here celebrating with us. So share that link everywhere, everywhere, everywhere. So share the link. Trailing stop loss smart. Yes, Robert. Trailing stop loss smart for BBIG. Yes, trailing stop loss smart for almost anything. Unless it's a long term investment, and then okay, maybe not. But again, for now, yes, for you, yeah. And wow, wow, guys, wow, 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 wow. AMC, guys, above $50. This is just like it's just this is played out very nicely, right, Amber? Like in terms of like psychology, we talked about again like the market psychology chart, right, Amber? I know we talked about it mostly between like you and I there. Again, like just market psychology. Let me take a look and see. If you take a look at that hope cycle, right? Again, look at hope, right? That was a push to 47, right? We talked about, right, Amber? Push to 47, retrace back to $40. Okay, we talked about, okay, we are potentially in hope, right? We should be able to push back to 47, right? Break a play around 47 for a bit, break above, and then push to $50, right? Push to $50, potentially retrace back to 47, hopefully not, right? And then break above, push to 52, break up, come back and says $50 and hold $50, and then absolutely explode from there, right? So again, let's see that let's see if that plays out nice. Let's see that if that actually works, right? But it's working for now, right? So again, let's see if we can hold $50 here or retrace back to 47. That's gonna be telling here. SPRT, uh somewhat rubbish for now. BBIG, guys, trying to build support now above 1130 there, right? So it's starting to look better here. I bet you one of these names, guys, AMC or BBIG, guys, one of these names might catch fire here today. And here we got our guys, BBIG, right? Again, that's that concern when you're taking profits at 1130 when it's, you're right. So again, it's fine if it's a scalp, but if it's a long term play, you could easily get burned here as we're pumping here on BBIG now, right, guys? Again, that's the only concern. And here we go on BBIG, guys. BBIG exploding now, 1157, guys. We're looking for $12. Again, break, hold this level. What are we looking for, guys? Again, hold, 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 hold. Again, now this level is going to be support. Now we're looking for $12, right? Again, 12 whatever, 12.50 is what we're looking for now on BBIG day, right, guys? Again, come on. Let's go. ATA, let's go. Yeah, guys, I know so many movers, guys, so we can't really watch everything. But yeah, some 1 second. Some comments are disappearing on me. Some I might have to put it in slow mode here, guys. At some point today, guys, we're gonna put it in members only. Some members only at some point here soon. Some, uh, but for now, let's. You shouldn't say people. So that's bad for. That's a huge gamma today. Abuba never said sell. Again, if you're listening, right? If you're listening, I said you want to be careful with selling at those levels. Why? Because sometimes, why? Because again, this thing can leave you in the dust, right? That's what we said, right, Booba? So there you go. So many viewers, so many movers, it's insane. I know, Amber, I can't really keep track of all the movers, guys. So if your name is not on the list, eventually we're gonna cover it, but for now though, yeah, we are paying attention to BBIG here, guys, and AMC, and looking at SPRT as well. So there you go. AMC, come on. Again, I like the AMC is not just flushing back below $50 here, right, guys? Again, well, actually holding above. That's a very good signal, honestly. That's a very, very good signal there. Back above $50, guys. AMC is almost like a dream. AMC, the fact, yeah. So we'll see. Again, hopefully this is it. Hopefully this is it. Hopefully this is the time where we go for that nice squeeze there, right? Again, honestly, for me, as much as we're looking for 50, we're looking for 52, but there's some key levels, right? We talked about 55. $60 was huge back in the day, right, guys? 60, 65, $60, 65. Those are some big, big levels. And here we are, guys. BBIG looking very good. Again, now BBIG should have support at 1130 here, right? So again, support at 1130, right? We're looking for $12, right? Looking for 12, searching for 12, searching for 12, searching for 12. Here we go. Come on. I'm part of. I feel happy and scared. I know you're more scared. Why, Amber? Like Mindy says the same thing, Amber. She's like, I'm scared of green. Like I'm scared. I'm like when it's green, I'm scared. Like why are you scared of the green? Like why? I love to see the green. Yeah. There you go. Some SPRTs trying to break above $25 here, right? So I'm again honestly surprised that these guys are lagging as much as they are here. This thing should be pushing to the 30s with their but again, maybe just buy the hype, sell the news there. Maybe. There you go. There you go. So let me get some of the questions here. With you both, Robert. Let's see here. Mm, There you go. Did buy on Clove and Endo. There you go. Yeah, honestly, again, Clove, that's very questionable. That's honestly very, very questionable that play there. So there you go. Again, long term, like I've said multiple times, right? Again, long term, that's fine, but short term, you want to be very careful. Not quite sure short term them. So there you go. Describing adrenaline because she wants to sell. I don't know why. I don't know because I'm traumatized from Torch and Clove and Hedges torturing us. I know. I know, guys. I know. It is what it is. AMC again holding $50, which is what we want. SPRT BBIG guys again holding 1130, which is amazing. Them. AMC is gonna. Like I'm really excited to see what AMC is gonna do here today. The fact that we're back above $50 here, I'm excited to see what this thing is gonna do because I feel like again BBIG or AMC, one of these names here is gonna is gonna do some funny business here today. I feel like so. We'll see. We'll see, guys. It's the meme. It's the is a new meme. Is the new squeeze, guys? BBIG versus the old squeeze. The old squeeze stock there, right? AMC was BBIG. Let's see who wins, guys. Let's see who wins here today. Who do you guys think is gonna win? Who do you guys think is gonna be? Oh no, as AMC is proving to be who do you guys think is gonna win today? AMC or BBIG, guys? I know they're both winning for now, right? Again, they're both looking very good. It's not a competition, but just playing a game here. Who do you guys think is gonna absolutely kill it? Absolutely kill it here. Some there you go. Hazel with the super chat says, "Are you still holding SPRT? Debating on when to close my calls." Yeah, I'm still holding. Still holding Hazel. Right, still holding again. We're trying to recover here. Right, again, Hazel. Now we're pushing into. We're trying to push back to green here. But Hazel, my suggestion for you, Hazel, you should be I think you should be green on SPRT. Right. So my suggestion for you would be not to go red. As you can see here, right, we're trying to push here. Like we're trying to break above that level again on SPRT. Again, Hazel, my suggestion would be try not to go red in that position. I just don't want to go red in that position because it can be very questionable. Like if you're not pushing now, then when, right? So don't go red in that position, please, 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 please. So new member guys, let's go. Scott says, Scott is a new member, guys. Let's go, Scott. Thank you very much for the support. Really appreciate that, Scott. Again, you know what to do, I think. Send me an email at the top of the screen there, and I will send you an invite to come join us in Discord. So I'm rooting for him. Okay, sounds good, Robert. Sounds good. Let me see him. Welcome, Scott. Welcome, welcome. Let's take the time for helping us. I believe when I was excited to hop on the stream, Brian. Let's go, Brian. Thank you very much, Brian. Really appreciate that. There you go. Coffee time. Welcome. Let's go, Sancho. Sancho Honcho. We're going to look back. There you go. Levi. Let's go. Levi says, BBIG, let's go. Let's go, BBIG, right? Let's go. Let's go. Utilization. Okay, sounds good. F9. Let's go, Andrew. No, Andrew, you guys are the best. You guys are the best. Here we go. So again, we talked about BBIG potentially finding support at 11:30 here, right? So we came back all the way down to 11:35 here, and now we're trying to bounce here, right? Let's see if we can again hold this level here and go. That would be amazing. Be careful here on SPRT, right? Because again, we have resistance, same level from yesterday, right? Resistance at 25.60 here, right? Again, if this thing fails to close above, just push above this level and breaks below the low today here zone. If we start breaking below like 23.50, yeah, then that might be it for me here, right? So again, just be a little bit cautious there, right? We have support at 23.50. It's holding that level for today. Just be a little bit cautious there. So AMC guys, AMC hit 51, 51.07 on AMC guys. Looks good. Looks good. Looks good. Again, Levi, thank you very much for the super chat. I don't know if I pumped. Let's go. Friday fun day, guys. Friday fun day. uh, for the win, Jonathan. SPRT is not winning anything yet, guys. So not winning anything unless we start getting back to the greens here. SPRT is not winning anything there. So it's BBIG and AMC for now. AMC taking the leads, right? There you go. You're off 400% on AMC. Breezy, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Again, guys, love it. So we still have again. I think we're gonna do a coffee mug giveaway, guys. Again, thanks to Mohammed Mo. I don't know if Mo is still watching here. I still need to fix up the other giveaway stuff there, right? So we're gonna do a giveaway at some point here today. So if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, do you want to put a target, guys? Let's do the first giveaway. I know it's Mohammed's giveaway, but it is what it is. But yeah, let's do the first giveaway, guys. Again, it's exciting here, so let's get those giveaways going right away. So let's do a giveaway, guys, at 500 likes. So smash a like. Let's do some hot trades giveaway here. Some smash a like if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe, share the link. We have a new member, Mamadov. Mamadov, let's go. Welcome to the family, Mama. Thank you very much for the support. Really appreciate that. And yeah. Send me an email at the top of the screen, then I'll send you that invite to come join us. KPTL is looking nice two ways. Yeah, I looked at that this morning. You're here, Mohammed. You're here. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Mohammed is here. Thank you very much, Mo. Again, we're gonna continue doing those giveaways, and then until it runs out. So there you go. And SPRT guys, again, very questionable, right? You want to be careful as we approach resistance. Why? Because again, that's an issue there, right? And here we are dropping again. If this thing breaks below 23.50 here, yeah, and then that's very questionable, honestly, to me. Them again, nothing's. If you take a look and see what's happening here on BBIG, guys, again, we talk about this wicks all the time, right? When you see stuff like this, 1, 2, 3, 4 wicks, what is that representing, guys? It's representing a potential sell-off, right? Especially when you're scalping or you're trying to FOMO, you want to be careful with stuff like that because usually we sell off back to support, and then again you can see now that we're trying to form new wicks here at the bottom at the 90 EMA here, and then now we're looking for a green candle here very soon on on BBIG, right, guys? Looking for a green candle here soon. BBIG, behave, follow the pattern there, and give us a green candle, please and thank you. So again, this is what we're looking for. When I talk about stuff like that, guys, this is what I'm looking for here, right? I'm looking for stuff like we talk about this every single day this week, right? I'm looking for stuff like this. When you're getting those wicks at the bottom, what are you expecting, guys? You're expecting some green. When you're getting those wicks at the top, guys, series of rejections, you're looking for some red there, right? Again, you're looking for sell off there, right? So a quick sell off, and guess what, guys? That played out pretty perfectly there, right? So again, as you can see, wick. Guess what happened, guys? Again, now we're pumping again, right? So again, wicks at the top. You're looking for sell off, right? This is playing up very nicely. They're playing up perfectly there. AMC, guys, is it any different, guys, on any chart? Nope. 1, 2, 3, 4. What happens, guys? A sell off, right? Again, and here we are selling off a little bit. So no surprises on anything, right, guys? Again, so there you go. Let's see. And here we go. BBIG. BBIG is now like again AMC going down. BBIG is time to go. Time to go. Uh, is backing off. 150 again. Okay, sounds good. Behave. AMC already hit 51. Next resistance is Maddie. Next resistance for me again. 51 is not a level of resistance for me. 52 is that level to watch. So 52. But again, I'm just honestly for me today on AMC, I'm just happy to be back above $50, guys. Right. So don't care about all these other levels. I just want to find support above $50. Right. If we can hold $50, that's cool. And then that's cool. That's cool. And then we can go from there. So on the way up again, guys, we are going to be looking for BBIG at 1160 here, right? Again, so this level is going to be a level here to watch, even though we're waiting for $12 here, guys. 1160. My what's this? Second. Wow, that's impressive there. Impressive. So again, watch for 1160 here. So I'm going to put another line there to watch. So for now, as we know, right, support at 1130, resistance at 1160 here. So that's going to be something to watch there. Again, SPRT, guys, is very questionable here today, right? So just be careful with this name here. Again, support at 2350. So we start breaking below 2360 there. 2360, you want to be very careful because this might just be done. Like you want to be careful. Again, sure, I know they're short interest, guys. They're short interest, but this thing is like Mindy was saying, right? Like she said yesterday, this thing is run already. Again, as you have to be honest with yourself sometimes, right? You have to be honest with yourself sometimes. When it comes to these plays, do you actually care about SPRT merger, guys? Absolutely not. We're just here to make those gains, right? So you want to be careful because this thing's run to $60 already, right? Like Mindy said, this thing's run to $60 already. Are we about to? I know the short interest is massive. Like it's crazy. Like it's such a trick. One all over the place. Exactly right ways. I know some. 421. There you go. Some. It does. SPRT pisses you off. Yeah. I know. So you have to be careful yourself and make sure you have a plan there, right? Just be careful there. Just be careful. ENDO. Before it runs, what's going on with it? We covered the news this morning. MSense. Can't remember what exactly they've done. So we're gonna have to go back and look at that again. ENDO, right? So ENDO there. So they had some news this morning. Litigation stuff. So they had not sure if they beat the case, but something about the opioid cases there. They give an update, and now they're looking better there, right? So yeah. Retracement, guys. Again, now what are we looking for, guys? When you see stuff like this, what are you looking for now? You're looking for green potentially, right? Why? Because again, we're trying to form again wicks. Guess what's happening here now, guys? We're getting a little bit of green here now, right? And here you go, right? That's exactly what you're looking for. Again, when you're scalping, that's what I look for, right? Again, once I start seeing stuff like this, guys, I'm like, oh, it's time to go. And here we are, guys. Again, nice little push there, and yeah, some. Let's see if we can go here again. Support, guys. Ultimate support them. We're looking to hold this $50 level, right? Looking to hold that level there on AMC. SPRT, guys, is absolute rubbish. Like absolute rubbish for now. And yeah, so Hazel, just be a little bit cautious there, right? Try not to go from green to red, Hazel, please and thank you. It's just all over the place, like all over the place there. And yeah, and BBIG, guys, just selling in the middle, right? Support, resistance, chilling in the middle there, chilling in the middle. And here we go, guys. SPRT. This thing might be a yeah. We'll see. 11 last resistance to 12. VGM again. So we know. So again to 12. That $12 resistance came from last week, right? Even though we're looking for $12, you have to look at the chart and see what it's telling you right now, right? Because it's gonna be giving you new levels to watch. Again, this 1160 level just came today, right? Came like in the last 10 minutes here, right? As you can see, according to those wicks, right? Again, so we just have to be watching and see if we're creating new levels. Is going to 21 today, Alan? Yeah, we're going to $21 on SPRT. That's what it looks like them. That's what it looks like them. Guarantee SPRT goes to 20. Yeah. Uh, what's a good entry for BBIG today, Daisy? Daisy, wow, there you go on AMC. That's quite the flush there, guys. Again, can we hold above right today? The question is, can we hold above $50? Right. So again, back below here, I know again according to the micro market psychology chart, guys, we can easily retrace. Right, hit break 50, right? Hit 50, 47, and then come back to 50, and then explode to 52, come back to 50 and hold, and then we go again, right? So if we can push to 52 here, hold $50 here today, maybe we're gonna skip that retracement to 57, right? So it's gonna be very interesting here to watch. Some again, don't be surprised as we're retracing here because again, that might be the plan here. Some just be all of these things now retracing here together, retracing together. BBIG, let's go. It's more exciting than the others you are covering on your on for day trades. Sal, SPRT is more exciting. Are you sure, Sal? Are you sure SPRT that thing is more exciting than AMC? More exciting than BBIG? BBIG is performing better than any of those names here. Are you sure, Sal? It's more exciting than the other others you're covering for day. Yeah, I don't know. No. I don't know about that. Double bottom on SPRT. Let me quickly zoom out here and see what you're looking at. Oh yeah, there you go. Right, some potential double bottom here, 24. Right, so if we can hold 24 here on SPRT here, okay, and then that looks a little bit better then, right? So again, nothing's changed here for me. I'm still watching this level here, like a 23.50 here. If we break below this level, yeah, I don't know about that. So let's see. We need a green candle here, like now, like now, like soon. And BBIG, guys, again, support at 11:30, right, guys? So there you go. And yeah. Can you please, Mama Duff, sure I can take a look at CEI. There, I can take a look. AMC all the way. CEI is exciting, guys. Okay, I'll take a look at CEI then. Uh, AMC at 76 was insane in June. Yeah, Dan, where have you been? Where have you been, Dan? Where have you been? It's looking like rubbish on. Yeah, Marco, what's up, Marco? BIG, Otex tweet. Okay, sounds good. I'll take a look. We can take a look at OTEX there, right? So again, as you can see here, SPRT trying to bounce to that 24. So we need that bounce here, guys. Again, you're getting that support level, right, guys? Again, 1, 2, 3, and we're trying to bounce it. So we need again double bottom at 24. If we can hold 24, guys, okay, and then it looks fine. It looks a lot better there. But we need to do that. We need to hold that 24. Otherwise, it's And here we go, guys. And AMC, guys, $50, right? Again, can we hold 50 today? That's the question there. So good. So I'm gonna put another. I don't know if I want to put another signal here at 24. We'll see. I'll just wait for now. So I'll just wait there for now. And yeah. Let's see here. Has been keeping you insanely busy, Dan. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Okay, good to see you. Good to see you, Dan. It's good to have you back here. So, is your ticker is half hour late. AMC already hit 51. It's not half hour late, Henry. We hit 51. We hit 51 on AMC already. We saw that already. 5107 there, as you can see, right? Again, that's 5107. It's not late. This is 5107 here, right? It's not half an hour late. The market has been open for how long? Right. So for half an hour. So there you go. 5107 there and retracement here, right? So there you go. And yeah. And here we are on BBIG, guys. Again, playing with 11:30 here again, guys. So again, this level is very important here, right? So there you go. Let's see where we can find support, right? We need to get back above 11:30 and build support above this level, and then we're good to go back higher. But for now, it's playing games, playing those games, playing those games. So let me see here. 75% on IC. Okay, I'm gonna take a look at some more tickets here, guys. I want to take a look and see because I know you guys asked about IC. It's one that we looked at this morning. We need to take a look at IC. We need to take a look at CEI as well. So on the 11:30, what's a good buy? So potentially like a 10.50 for you M cents, like around $11 as well. Because well, it seems like we're holding. Let's go, Brett. It seems like we're holding for now, right? We're trying to hold 11, right? M cents. BBIG, you know, oh no. Look at these guys. People want to buy the dip on BBIG. People asking for BBIG to drop so they can buy the dip. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. And sense. Unbelievable. So let me quickly let me take a look at some other tickers here, guys, because you guys are asking for them. So again, let me know what ticker you're watching. We can take a quick look here. So I'm gonna start by looking at CEI there. So CEI, maybe I see here, guys. I'll take a look at IC here. And some again, IC, nice little sell off into the open here, and then nice explosion, retracement, right again. Wait for that backtest, wait for that confirmed support at confirmed support around 14 here, right? As you can see. So I'm going to put another line there at 14. So we can pay attention to that, right? Again, nice retracement support, and here we are breaking to $15, right? So again, this thing looks fine here, up about 71% this morning, right? There's a reason why we wanted to keep an eye out for this name here because again, these guys have news, right? They have news. If I can find it again here, I might need to pull up Benzinga here to find that thing there. But again, some good news here. So I want to take a look at the daily chart to see where we could potentially go to. It's looking good, breaking about $15 there. Here we are. Uh, yeah, I think honestly, the only thing we said about this name here was to wait for that retracement, right? Again, let people take profits at the open. As you can see, people took profits at the open. We found support at $14, and here we are going again, right? So I'm currently sitting at 15.10 there. So it looks good there. So if you're looking for a brand new position here on this name here, I want to quickly take a look. Again, there's not a whole lot of information in this chart because again, as you can see, uh, it's just one like massive, just one silly candidate. I'm gonna try and zoom in here a little bit more just to make sure we're not missing anything there. Yeah, like it's just again, it's just like a huge sell-off, right, guys? Again, look at that. That's just a huge sell-off. That's a single candle, guys. From above $30 in a single day all the way down to $5. Most likely a gap down there, but that's insane, honestly. That's insane, right? So again, as you can see, next level of resistance, other than the just like psychological levels, you could be looking for like $31 there, right? So but just be careful them. So 21 as well, $20, obviously 20. So yeah, watch $20 there next, and then 31 if you're holding this name. But that doesn't mean just blindly buy though, right? So I'm gonna zoom back out here and move back to now. And yeah, so just be watch for this. Watch for that $14 level to hold. Watch for it to clear 15 and hold, right? And then you're looking for 20 there potentially. So, let me go back here, and then I wanted to take a look at CEI, guys. Where's my CEI? There we are. There we are. Right. So, what are we looking for in CEI, guys? We're looking for 150, right? Again, if we can clear 130, guys, what are we looking for? Like we talked about, we're looking for 150. We hit 150 here exactly, right? And backed up. So, what do you look? Where's that 150 level coming from, guys? From right there, right? From right there, from right here. You're looking for 150, guys. What are you looking for in these levels, guys? In order for it to be a good position for you to buy, just like we talked about at 105, right? Again, so we need to clear that level, come back and test that level and hold, right? Before you can look for an entry, right? So if you're looking for 150 here, guys, you need to let it break above that level, come back and test and hold that level, and then confirmation you're good to go, right? Just like we've done at 105, just like we've done at 130, push above 130, come back and test 130 and hold 130, and then we go, right? Those would be that's what you're looking for them. Again, just explaining race one, just talk about CI there, right? Check CI KC. We've looked at C. We looked. I think you were a little bit late, KC. Welcome. Thank you for the super chat. Let's go. I think we're close under 50, unfortunately. Marco, yeah. So we all looking for IC. We talked about the IC news pre-market this morning. We talked about the chart as well already, right? I don't know if you're just joining now. But you might need to like just go back like 5 minutes. KC, like 5 minutes. We just talked about IC, but if you have any questions in terms of news, just let me know. Right, again, IC is up this morning. Why? Because again, these guys they got a price target upgrade, right? A price target upgrade of $18, right? $18 price target on IC. Let me pull the chart up again here, right? these guys. Where is it? I see. Yeah, there we go. So again, that's not a guarantee that we're going to $18. Also, that's a medical news day as well. So again, some double news, double news. Quint says, Clove, in your opinion, I think for me again, Clove is a good like long term play, but you want to be careful in the short term because again, there's just so much manipulation going on there. Very much Paul, thank you for the super chat. Let's go, Paul. Thank you very much. I appreciate that. Is playing mind games, Hazel? It is honestly, Hazel, and that's very annoying to me. Like it's very annoying what is doing this. Again, Hazel, nothing's changed, right? My suggestion for you, I think you should be green on your position there. Just try not to go red. Try not to go red in your position, please. And then Jenny says, good entry point for ENDO. Okay, sounds good. Is it ENDO? Good entry. EN. Is it Jenny? Is it ENDP or ENDO? ENDP, I think, right? ENDP. Let me take a look at ENDP because I know we talked about ENDP this morning. We talked about the news. I think they had some news this morning as well. So I'm gonna pull that up again. So ENDP there. Oh, Endo. Okay, that's what it is. Endo. Okay, sounds good. There you go, Jenny. So we've looked at this chart quite a few times already, right? So you're asking for a good entry position there. This thing is currently up 46% here, right? So it's had a nice gap up here. Let me see if Trading View actually has a news here. Maybe not. September the 10th. September the 10th. I'm gonna skip that stuff there. Here it is, right? So Endo agrees to 50 million settlement of New York opioid litigation, right? So shares are rising pre-market, right? So Endo International said late Thursday that it has agreed to pay 50 million to settle three consolidated opioid cases in the states of New York. The settlement does not include any admission of wrongdoing, fault, or liability on the part of the company, according to the settlement from Endo International. Okay, cool. The company said it primarily aims to achieve a global settlement regarding the remaining opioid litigation, but it's also exploring other strategic opioids in case it fails to reach a global settlement. Okay, cool. Right. So okay. Now let's talk about the potential entry levels here. Right now we're sitting at what? We're sitting at 350, $3 here. So I'm currently sitting at $3 here. Next level of support is 270. 270. Jenny might be a level there. So 270 is coming from like all the way back here, right? Again, this level here was initial support. So again, we broke above that level. That's a signal for a potential push to 250, 350 here, right? So if we can continue to hold above 270 again, if we can retrace back to, actually we've gone from we've actually retraced all the way to 250 there, right? So Jenny, so I'm not sure if you missed your entry already, right? 250, and now we're back above $3. So again, that might have been an opportunity missed there, right? So I'm going to take a look at a smaller time frame here. I'll take a look at the minute here, so just to see if we can see anything new there. So here we are, right? Again, we retraced again, broke above that again. This level is important, right? So that might have been a view, like this might have been your entry area here that we talked about pre-market as well, right? Again, 270, again 250 was quite nice. We actually opened all the way at 250 here, guys. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay, cool. So again, now what you're looking for is a new level of retracement, right? Again, maybe you want to, if you again, uh, this is tough, honestly. Like we're up 45%, right? Up 45%. The news is not, again. It's sure it's litigation news, right? It's cool. It's whatever. The settling a case there, but it's honestly not. It's not the greatest thing, right? And we're also going into a Friday where people love to take profits, right, Jenny? So you want to be very careful here. I think on place like this, you want on Fridays, guys. You want the best or nothing, right? You either want like a perfect entry level or nothing. So for now, I can see that we're trying to form something around like 295 here. So I'm going to keep a close eye on this one for you, Jenny, just to see what's happening here. So again, next level resistance to 315 there. If we start breaking above 315, okay, maybe we're ready to push to 350 there, right? Again, 350. So we need to start clearing this level though, right? So that's going to be something that I keep a close eye on though. Again, as you can see, seems like we're riding again the upper Bollinger Band here of the VWAP, right? Again, as you can see, we're slowly riding this green line high here, right? So I'm just riding and riding and riding. So again, that's interesting here, right? So again, if we start breaking above 315 here, maybe a little gamble there, maybe potentially. So we'll see. We'll see. Did I miss? Did I miss? Yeah. There you go. You're welcome. You're welcome. SPRT, please, Chris. Sure. Let's take a look at SPRT, guys. The disappointing SPRT, guys. What are we sitting at? 20, still holding 24, guys. Again, we have a double bottom here on SPRT, guys. Again, the ultimate support is 23.50 here, right? If we start breaking below this level, yeah, you know what? It might be done. It might be done for today, for at least for now, maybe until the close, right? But we have a double. We're trying to form support, as you can see here, at $24, all right? So right at $24 here, guys. We can, as long as we continue to hold this level for now, we look okay, right? Again, nice drop at the open, hold 24, but nice push to resistance, right? Again, we know we have resistance here at 25.60, right, guys? Again, 25.60 is some strong resistance, right? So again, if we can continue to hold this level and clear that level, and then we're good. But for now, though, we're just in a range here. So as long as we're in this range here, we're okay for now. But if we break below this range, that's a huge warning. We break above that range there, that's a very good signal there, right? So again, we're just indecision here, guys. Indecision on SPRT there. AMC, guys, just chilling above $50. BBIG, guys, just chilling below 11.30 there, right? So those things are still completely okay there. So let's move on back to the regular charts here, guys. We can come back in a bit here. We'll come back in a bit and do some more ticker requests, guys. But for now, let's just relax and watch the one that we're supposed to be watching here for a little bit. So again, AMC, guys, building support at what level, guys? $50 there, right? Some 50, right back above. Looks good there. So let's keep going here. Let's keep going. What do I want to look at here? I'm going to leave it on AMC there for now and then grab a drink of water. Oh, well, we're getting a lot of questions about ATER, guys. So I'm going to have to take a look at ATER. Sure, I'll take Adol and Cheryl. I'll take a look at ATER. And I just want to see what happens here with AMC, guys, as we approach $51 again, right? Again, we're finding support at $50. Okay, cool. Now the question is, can we break above the high today again, as we're slowly approaching that level, right? So I just want to see what happens here at 51, guys, and then we can take a look at ATR Adol and show them. How do you feel about Pfizer, Hazel, with the new vac stuff? I don't like Pfizer, Hazel. Don't like Pfizer. Because Pfizer always finds a way to mess it up. As you can see, like Moderna has been the play for the most part. It's been like, again, it's performed really nicely. If you take a look, pumping SPRT, it's not working, Andrew. It's not working. Is there a new tweet, Andrew? You send me something? Let's see here. Couldn't we? There you go. 12 soon. 12 soon. Have you? No, Queenie. No, there's never no such thing as breakfast unless on the weekends. Water. You called it water. Water. Danny. It's yeah. No, it's no. That's that what I like in that cup. That was just a smoothie. Oh, you sent it in Discord. Okay, so again, let me take a look at SPRT news here, guys. Andrew sent me some stuff in Discord there, so I'm gonna take a quick look here. SPRT, 90%. Wow, 90%, guys, almost 90% are short interest there. But again, that doesn't always translate, guys. That does not always translate. Again, like short interest is not the be all and end all, right? You want to be careful with stuff like that. Will Mead says, according to the real S3 short interest, which is 9,000 a year, with the most accurate in the streets. The two most shortest stocks are SPRT and BGFV. The two most shorted stocks are SPRT and BGFV. I don't remember who mentioned BGFV here. I'll try and remember there. There you go. Again, just sharing some data there, right? Will Meet, guys, says, Andrew, thank you. All right, the two most shorted stocks, SPRT and BGFV, right? There you go. So that's gonna be some. We're gonna have to take a look at BGFV here and keep a close eye on that name there. I have to take a look at MMAT picking up steam. Okay, sounds good. Oh man, so many tickers, guys. So many tickers to watch. When we'll meet? When Nathan says, when has Will Mead been right? Will Mead, I don't know what to tell you. I don't follow him that closely. I know he causes a lot of FOMO, right? A lot of following, so that causes FOMO because people, yeah, yeah, so it depends when BBIG goes there. There's no correction. Okay, sounds good. SPRT is actually, yeah, we're trying again, guys. We have that double bottom at $24, right? So as long as we continue to hold 24, well, we're still in that range, right, guys? Again, 24 to 25, 50 there, right? So for now we're holding, so it looks okay there. AMC holding $50. So that looks fine there. Let me take a look at some questions here, guys. I know you guys keep asking some about ATER there, so I'm going to take a look at ATER, guys. I'm going to take a look at the daily chart here. I feel like we've covered this name already, right? Some but I'm gonna take, yeah, we've covered this already today, right? So again, if you're holding ATR, guys, it looks completely fine. Like it looks like a watermelon inside of a watermelon. As long as we continue to hold $11, we're breaking above a key's resistance level there. What are you looking for now on the upside here, guys? Again, it's you're looking for $13. Again, does that mean just wait for $13? That means come up with a plan, please and thank you, right? Again, my suggestion for you on these flying names, guys, would be to find a stop loss, please and thank you, right? Again, use a trailing stop loss, whatever you need to do, right? Again, set your stop loss and at the level you're happy with, and then slowly move that higher. As we continue to move, you're moving it higher, right? So you don't end up being disappointed because you're waiting for the moon, right? You're waiting for the moon, and if the moon doesn't come, and then now you're back to zero, right? Again, find a stop loss, find a level you're happy, find a profit level you're happy with, and then go from there, and then put a stop loss at that level, and then keep moving it higher. If it keeps going, you're like icing, watermelon, moon, and then you go from there, right? Instead of again above 11 here, guys, what are we looking for? Potentially $14 there, right? There you go. And then I wanted to take a look at MMAT, and then I think there are a few more tickers that you guys are asking for. So I'm going to pull MMAT here, guys. Again, I think I'm going to put members only mode in a bit here, so we can get some members only questions here. Some MMAT here looks fine again, right, guys? It looks fine. Again, your entry level was in between like $5. The $5 was perfect, right? Again, nice push to $6, right? $6, right? We've hit 6 twice and retraced, right? So 6 twice, high, low to $5, right? Again, the first time we hit $6, guys, we came back all the way down to $4, right? Okay, cool. The second time we hit 6, we came back to $5, right? Again, double bottom at $5 there, 490, whatever you want to call it, and here we are going again, right? Some next level of resistance, guys. Again, nothing's changed. MMAT $6, right? Again, support at 520, support at $5, 490, right? Next level of resistance $6, right? If we can clear $6, guys, and then we open up a huge range above there, right? So there you go. And then let me quickly see what else here. Jenny. Let's go, Jenny. At 8 a.m. Gonna be patient on SPRT. Stevie. Okay, sounds good. Gonna be patient. Okay. Sounds good as TV. Let's go, Jenny. Really appreciate that. Honestly, thank you very much for the support. Thank you. Happy. Jason says, can you PLX, please? You're in $3 calls on Jason. Okay, PLX here, Jason. So you're in $3 calls, so you're looking for those huge gains, because those calls are quite out of the money there, right? You need 100%. You need 100% move here. Honestly, not sure what to tell you about this, other than I hope you didn't buy on the way up here, right? Why? Because as you can see here, that's resistance there, right? Again, flush, resistance, flush. As we're approaching this level, you don't want to be buying at that level unless we can break above and confirm above that level. You don't want to touch it, right? Why? Because again, guys, resistance, right? Resistance, right? Again, history does not repeat, but it rhymes sometimes, right? So again, that's a saying from I can't remember who said that saying. Right, so again, here we are, right? Again, so just be cautious there, because now we could easily retrace. So watch 150 here, right? Now we could build support at 150 or retrace all the way down to 130 here. There you go. Watch those two levels there. Just be a little bit careful. They're down about 10% here today, and there you go. And then I know you guys have been asking for SOS as well, guys. Again, SOS had some news here this morning. Can't remember what news they had. I might have to take a look. SOS looks okay here today, right? As you can clearly see here, guys, again, even though SOS is questionable, it's finding support though, right? As you can see, right? Again, SOS, let me go back here, right? SOS is finding support around like 250, 260 here, right? Again, 260, 250, 260, 260 there, and here we are bouncing again, right? SOS looks completely okay here, right? Just be cautious when you're trying to buy stuff that's already gapping up on a Friday as people decide to take profits. If you're holding SOS, if you bought SOS here, you're fine for now, right? You're fine for now. Just be careful here around $3. $3 resistance, and then you're looking for 340 there, guys. $3, actually $3, $320 here, and then 340 there on SOS, guys. So those would be levels there to watch, right? If you're looking for an entry, please clarify. If you're in this play already, you're completely okay. Watch for the $3. We need to clear $3. If we can do that, 320 and then 340 and then $4 there, right? Those would be your next levels there to watch. I think I'm missing some. I think I missed a super sticker there. Super chat. Let's go, Crips. Thank you very much for the super chat. Crips says, "What's your opinion on price target after SP?" Again, I'm not quite sure, right, Crips? You never know. Again, you never honestly know with these names here. When it comes to news like this, Crips, it's very questionable, right? Again, the only positive thing here is if we're running into that again. If we're running into into the vote. Okay, it could be by the hype sell the news on SPRT. But if we're struggling to if we're struggling into that news and the news comes, it could be again news and then pump, right? So we'll see what happens. Honestly, again, that news is not new, right? Again, Mindy's talked about that quite a bit already. The news is not new, right? It's not new news. It's been out there already. So we're gonna see how that affects it, because honestly, I don't know. What I'm gonna pay attention to is the chart. If we start breaking below 2350, then and then that's a huge red flag for me. Uh, there you go. Do I have a favorite Twitter account? Mamadov, I just use for now. From now, I'm just using Chatterquant, right? Again, it quantifies those Twitter accounts, like which one has the most influence on what tick I'm watching. So that's what I use for now. It's 150 CEI. Zane says FCUV. Guys, FCUV is another one. FCUV is another one that we looked for. We've been watching for a bit as well here, right? Some SUV, you're asking for an entry on SUV here. As you can see here, right, Zane, again, we talked about 24 is a no-no. Why? Because, again, double top 24. You want to be careful because, again, at 24, guys, next level of support was potentially, again, all the way down here could 14 $15, right? 15 for psychological reasons. Whew. There you go. Right. So again, if you can if you can reclaim $15 here on FCUV Zane, if we can reclaim 15, okay, that might be a good play there for you, because as you can see, we're trying to find support here, right? Otherwise, just be a little bit cautious here. We're finding support just below 14 here. Just around 14. That's 14. Yeah. So just around $14 here, we're trying to build support. In between 14 and 15 here, we're trying, as you can see, right, Zane. So again, for now, we're trying to make that decision, right? Again, if we can reclaim 15 here, okay, we're good to go. But if we fail to get back above that level, and then watch for $12 here, 12 and the tens, yeah, 12 again. That's a double top at 12, right? Again, so watch that $12 level there. So we're gonna leave that there for now, and then take a look at some tickers that we're watching closely. It's moving. CI is actually moving, guys. Let me take a look here. 54, guys. 54, right? Again, we're breaking above that level. So what are we looking for here next? I'm gonna quickly zoom out here, right? 170, is that what we talked about here? 170, guys. This thing is actually playing up pretty nicely there. So 170, guys, and then 170 and then $2 for CEI, right, guys? Again, we wanted to clear that 150 level, right? Again, retracement to 130. That's the entry level there. Break above 150, push, retrace to 150, test and hold. Okay, maybe another entry there, and then we go for 170, right? So there you go. Again, try not to form on the way up. You need confirmation, so you need it to retrace, prove that it's holding that level, and then you go from there, right? So there you go. So I'm going to go back to BBIG and the other names here, guys. SPRT is breaking below 24, guys. Yeah, that's a huge red flag for me on SPRT there. So I guess if you want to be patient on that name there, right? Again, maybe wait for till the merger, right? Waiting till the merger on SPRT there until the vote, right? So maybe that's gonna be a catalyst there. But AMC is looking completely fine here still, right? Holding $50. Uh SPRT though, very questionable. We know we have support though, right? Again, that double bottom at 24 is breaking, so that's a red flag. That's a huge red flag. But we're still holding this level at 2350 here. So, yeah, that's yeah. I'm gonna leave it on AMC there for now, and yeah, and then I'm gonna switch it to members only, guys. Members only for a little bit here, and then yeah, so I'm gonna switch it to members only for now. So there you go. And then for a little bit, guys, for a little bit. So yeah, and then we'll come back. We'll come back here again, guys. Reminder: if you haven't smashed a like yet, smash a like, guys. Smash a like, and yeah, so smash a like. Let's get to 500 likes, guys. If you haven't already smashed a like, hit smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new, and share the link. Yeah, wait another 40 minutes, Shivesh. Yeah, I'd be patient with SPRT, guys. If you're looking for a brand new position, I'd be very patient because it's questionable. Oh yeah, there you go. Asking for the email. AMC, guys. AMC is about to crush 51 and crush that high of the day, guys. Here we go. 51, 51. Come on. Johnny says, "Look, I R and T. I will, I will. Not right now. I will in a bit. GOCO there. Nice. to work today. I just watched. I struggled to catch up with all the ticks all day though. I know, right? There were a lot of tickers, guys. There were a lot of tickers. I don't know. Yeah, it's again. Yeah, so it's flying by. There are a lot of people watching. So not yet, guys. Not yet. We're not breaking above 40.51 yet. I mean, we broke above it already today, but yeah, just start chilling here. So. Any entry point, MJ? Any is currently sitting at what? Let me take a look at any here. Some. Yeah, clove is absolute rubbish, guys. Again, long term, okay. Short term, absolute rubbish for now. I'm gonna tell you what I'm always gonna tell you what the chart is saying, guys. The chart is telling me clove is rubbish, absolute rubbish for now. I want to take a look at any here. I can't seem to find it because my list is an absolute mess. So I'm gonna have to redo that. Then just search it up here on any some. Yeah, I watched like around $6 here. And for any, watch like $6 here. Some here we are, guys, on AMC. AMC is about to crush it. AMC broke above that high, right? Again, AMC hit new highs here, right? At 51.17, guys. New highs on AMC. Wow. AMC. AMC is about to take it, guys. AMC about to take. We have some new members, guys. Mohammed, let's go. Welcome, guys. Welcome to the family. And SPRT, guys, absolutely flushing this. So again, I'd be very careful with that name. I'd be and people rapid fire ask. I know, right, Justin? Again, Mohammed, welcome to the family. Thank you very much. Thank you very much for the support. Another new member, Dave C. Let's go, Dave. Welcome to the family, Dave. Thank you, Mohammed. Thank you guys very much for the support. Welcome, welcome. Yeah, welcome, guys. Send me an email at the top of the screen there, and I will send you an invite to come join us in Discord. Again, once you join Discord, guys, the instructions in the very first channel there, right? So here we are, guys. Again, I feel like again AMC is gonna be an issue for BBIG. Why, guys? Because again, AMC, guys, is the same group of people that are playing BBIG that are playing AMC, right? So if AMC is doing runs like this, BBIG and SPRT, all these other names are gonna struggle because AMC clearly has the attention of everybody for now, right? So just be a little bit cautious there. So there you go. Welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome. Entry for SGC now. Wait. Okay, sounds good. Leads to BBIG profit taking. Exactly right, Josh. Again, AMC promo leads to BBIG profit taking, guys. That's just what it is. It's just what it is. It's what at what levels would you consider picking up AMC calls? You want again, Hazel. The issue with that, Hazel, is because when you're buying calls after a nice run like this on AMC, with such volatility, like those calls are now priced to perfection, right? You want to be buying calls on the like when we're sitting at support, right? You want to buy calls on the way down. You want to buy calls on the red day. You want to buy calls again, like those calls. I bet you those calls are now priced to perfection. So you want to be very careful there now, unless you're just taking a little gamble, Hazel, and then maybe you're looking for like the uh, I'm not even sure what to tell you here because again, I feel like we're gonna retrace this move this time, guys. Seems a lot more constructive, right? It doesn't really seem like a squeeze anymore. It just seems like a nice, like healthy move this time for from my point of view, right? AMC is not really right. So it just seems it seems constructive. So I'm just thinking. Are there any calls options expiring today for BBIG? Not as much as Stradgo. Not as much. Again, the bulk of the calls for BBIG, guys, expire on the 17th. Yeah, guys, try not to FOMO again, especially on the options, guys. Those options are priced to perfection now, right? On the way up here, yeah, you're paying a premium for those, and then if we drop a little bit, you're losing right away, right? So, again, you're looking for retracement to get some calls, and then yeah, so. Dave says hello, everyone. Glad to be a new member. Welcome, Dave. Welcome, welcome. A CI is 160. Wow. CI is at 160 already. Yeah, again, I'm gonna take a look at that chart there. I want to take something off, but I'm not quite sure what. I'm not sure what to take off here for a little bit. Yeah, there's nothing on the list that on the list that I want to take off, so I'm just gonna do that instead. I'm gonna take a look at a CI again, guys. CI is currently sitting at what 160. There you go, right again. Some did we actually retrace to that level? No, we broke above. We came back just a little bit, right again. I don't want to look again. Break above. Yeah, look break above, right again. To almost the 160 day, guys. What are you looking for? You're looking for retracement and confirmed support, right? So we came back down, not quite to 150, but 152, right? 152, and here we are going again, right? So again, you got a little bit of like just Nice. 152 there. So if you got it, so there you go. What are we looking for though? We're looking for 170 and then $2, right? For CI here. It's looked very good, guys. I'm gonna quickly fix some stuff here. Quickly fix some stuff there. ENDP there. La la la. Welcome, guys. Welcome to all the new members. Welcome. There you go. I just wanted to take a quick look. Again, nothing's really changed here for now, though, right? CEI looks fine, guys. And then let's go back now to BBIG there and the rest. And you rest. BBIG, there we go. And back to that there. And that. And again, guys, SPRT just playing games. Back to $24 here. Just up, down, up, down. So, but again, for the most part, it's trending lower. So, I'd be very careful here. Again, now this name is failing to break above 24 here. Again, initially support, right, guys? Again, initially support bounce, right? So now though on the way up here, this level is now becoming resistance. So that's a huge red flag there again. Another red flag on SPRT, guys. So again, be careful them. Another red flag. So again, break below this level. Yeah, you want to be very careful there. So there you go. I don't know why they didn't do the votes of or something like like pre-market or something, so we can get that decision right there and get it over with. Just dragging it on them. So AMC still looking fine there. BBIG holding $11. So there you go. It's amazing how there we go. Never mind. 1 second, guys. 1 second. 1 second. 1 second. La la la. ATR is at 1207. There you go, Brian. Nice. Again, ATR holding above, right? Holding above. What level is that? Holding above $11. We're looking for ultimately $14, right? For ATR then. That's the target. There you go. Did it here we are on EMC, guys. EMC next level resistance, guys, that we talked about is $52, right? 52. That's the next level to watch them. So again, maybe we hit 52, retrace to 50, and hold 50 or a new level, and then we go from there. Let's see what happens here. So there you go. 1230 on ATR. Wow. Oh, wow. Got and took some profits. I took a shot at TTOO. Okay, sounds good. At 102, we actually again. So there you go, Andrew. Yeah, again, I know we talked about that this morning already. That again, okay. So TTOO is gapping up nicely, right? Again, so the next level of entry is $1, right? Around $1 there. So nice, nice day, nice, Andrew. So there you go. Rota says, "Can we send you some cookie flavored milk? It's good and nutritious. Some cookie flavored milk. You mean like no, it's okay. It's okay. Skills. Let me take a look here. 1 second here. 1 second, guys. ENDP there. Uh, It's amazing though, because we have so many movers, guys, like around. But again, the ones that we've been watching for the last week or two here, those are the ones that are still performing well, right? Again, ATR, BBIG, AMC, right? So again, a lot of these names are still looking very good. So, look at the chat, even members only. You guys see here. Look at the chart, the chat, even members only. I know Amro, like the chat members only, guys. We have a lot of members. The chat members only. It's still like yeah, on the kills? Oh no, Nathan. Skills on the kills. There you go. Super chat. So super chats can come through on members only. Okay, that's interesting. Then some. Patrick, thank you very much for the super chat. Let's go. Patrick says thoughts on ASTR. ASTR. I can take a look at that. Thank you for the super chat, Patrick. Imagine that's what I mean, right, guys? That's what I mean with like plays like that. You want to be, yeah. I don't know. I don't know. Imagine selling you to buy AMC at $51. I mean, people. I don't know. I don't know what to tell you. No, it's skinny on how to set up a super trend indicator. You wanna? Sure, I can do that in a bit here. So, let me take a look at ASTR though. ASTR, guys, is this the is this the space play there? I can't remember now. I know we've looked at this one quite a bit as well. So ASTR them. Actually, yeah, there you go. It's the space play there, right? I know these guys had some trouble last week. Why? Because again, they did a launch, and the launch lasted like 2 seconds, so they completely failed there, right? Again, I think this was right here, right? That was our launch here and absolutely flushed. So again, ASTR is trying to find support. So again, if you're looking for an entry, maybe watch for this level here, like $9 there. So what are we sitting at for now? We're sitting at 918. So again, like around $9 here might be your entry level there, right? But again, you also need to look at the fundamentals though, right? Again, these guys perform poorly on their launch. So what are they doing to fix that there, right? Again, because if the news is still negative, yeah, the chart is not going to help, right? So again, we're finding support at $9 for now. You can potentially scale in at that level there. Your next scaling level would be like around 820 here, right? Like around 850, 820. Those will be your next levels. But as you can clearly see for now, we're finding support around like $9 here, right? And we're getting a doji candle here. So again, this looks better here, right? Support at 9. Next level resistance $10 on 8 ASTR. So again, if you're looking for an entry, but watch for $9 here, right? Resistance at $10. Psychological level as well there, and then go from there. So also don't forget to look at the company stuff there. So and every on yeah nah wait eight yeah 59 Brian ATR is now ATR guys. Let's take a quick look at this name again here. So we're currently sitting at 11 no 12 1272 on ATR, guys. 1272. What are we headed to, guys? We're headed to that level, right? Again, that's the next level of resistance, right? We talked about if we can clear this level, guys, at $11, right? We are looking for $14 there, right? So right now we're pushing for 13 here. Let's see what happens here. So again, a lot of room to run here, right? Just be careful around the might need to fix these lines here because my charts are very all over the place here, guys. All over the place. So again, watch for $14 there, guys. Again, and then watch this moving average here, right? Just be careful around 13 as well here, because again, it's this moving average is converging right there. So just be careful there, right? So again, but ultimately you're looking for the next level of resistance, guys, which is 14. So be careful around 13, be careful around 14 there. So those would be your next levels. Again, support hasn't changed yet, right? Support still at $11. So there you go. What is a good point to buy back in? You sold already? Eight? 888. Yeah, honestly, William, I'd be watching for like 850, $8 for clov. Those again, that's proven to be some good support level. But again, you need it to be confirmed, right, William? So there you go. Uh thinking of to buy it at okay. My entry for BTBT, as long as that level holds, is like $10. So if you look $10, yeah. So there you go. Jesus says it's Clove a good buy right now. Let me take a look at Clove, guys. Let me take a look at Clove again here. So I'm gonna get rid of Patrick's is Clove a good buy? Let's take a look. Where's Clove? Where's this rubbish, guys? This rubbish. Again, guys, for me, my position in Clove is a long term position, right? Like a long term position, which there you go, right? So Clove had a nice push again. You guys see how important $10 is, guys. Again, struggling to close above $10, right? Again, struggling to close above $10. So that's a warning there. Retracing back here to $9 and breaking below, right? So what are you looking for now? Again, I know we have support at 850 here, right? Again, so 850 would be your next level there to watch. It seems like we have another level at 880 here, though, right? So again, 880 there, 880 there, 880 here, and then that seems like this is what we're holding for now right here. So I think I messed up something there, so I'm gonna need to fix. There we go. So again, watch for this 880 level here. So if we can find a way to hold that level, right? We're currently sitting like right at that level, so that might be a scaling opportunity there for you. But again, I would love for that thing to hold above that level better here. So, but honestly, is that 880? 880? Yeah, 880 there. So again, 9. Okay, cool. But again, honestly, for me, the level is like 850 here, 850, and then ultimately, as you can see, it seems like we found like a nice bottom here, $8, right? Here's awesome. There you go, $8 there, and yeah, there you go. On the close. Let's see. Okay, here you go, William. Was the low after hours might be going back to 850? There you go, Lucky Charms. Yeah, there you go. Let me switch back to the other charts here, guys. I'm gonna switch to time frames here, and then I'm gonna take it out of members only for a little bit, guys, and then we can do that again as the day goes on. Yeah, we're gonna be doing that all day, for the most part. You know what? I want to take a look at. I wanted to take a look at Workhorse here, because Workhorse is another play that is on the short squeeze list here. That's heavily shorted, higher in the short squeeze list here, and it's currently sitting like right at support there, right? Like right at like just below $9 here, right? This level is what, like right at 880 as well here for some reason. Like 880 in between like 880 and $9 here. We're trying, right, guys? We're trying again, as you can tell here. support, right? Again, support becomes resistance, right, guys? Again, support on the way down here. If we break below that level, it now becomes resistance on the way up. So again, broke below that level, found new support here, double bottom here. We're trying to form here now, pushed all the way to this level, failed at that level, and then back down here, right? So again, if we can hold this level and start getting some green momentum here, just like right here, right, guys? This is what you're looking for, right? If you're watching workhorse, right, for example, we're dropping and dropping and dropping. As soon as you see stuff like this, that tells it, okay, well, selling pressure dying down. We're starting to get some positive momentum coming here, explosion, right? So that's what you should be looking for here, right? Again, we're sitting at that support, but we need that little confirmation, right? So if we can start getting that confirmation here, maybe it looks good, right? On workhorse here. I know it's not a ticket that you guys are asking for, but I know it's a ticket that a lot of you guys are watching, right? So let's go back to the main place here, guys. The main place. There you go. And BBIG guys, just chilling there. SPRT guys, just chilling below 24 as well. Again, this level is very important there, right? And AMC here holding $50 still, right? So that looks good there. And Lucid holding $20 as well, so that's good there as well. And yeah, so I'm gonna leave it on BBIG for now, and we can move on from there. So back to $1. Josh. Okay, sounds good. Sounds good. Let me take it out of members only, guys, because I know that we have a lot of people that watch that are not members, right? So let me take it out of members only here. Everyone there, and then good to go. So there you go, guys. We're good to go. Everybody can chat now. So there you go. Again, if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second, smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the family, and if you can share the link as well, that'd be cool. Amazing. Looking good. There you go. Mm, what's up, Marcus? Hello, hello. Good morning, Roberts. Smash the like, smashed it. You smashed it, Jenny. Thank you very much. Thank you, thank you. Come on, come on, come on. I'm just catching up here. That's what I wanted to. OPME. That's what I wanted to look at. Are you in that play already? OPME. Are you in rklb already? Let me know. Let me know. Yeah, guys, if you can give me some details, right? I know you guys are asking for asking for this and this and this. Just give me some details, right, guys? Again, if you can give me some, I'm looking for this. Is this is it what you see? And then yeah, I can look. BBIG OTEX. Let me take a look at some OTEX stuff here. So I'm gonna share that other screen here, so we can take a look at that there. Here we go. So BBIG OTEX data there. There we go. La, la, la. We're currently again we're up about 4% in short interest here today, right? So plus 3.99% there. Current short interest of the free float is 33.79%, right? Again, 20 million shares, guys, 20.57 million shares, right? Interesting. Return shares, guys, today, 37,000. Borrowed shares, guys, 1.5 million shares borrowed again today. So these guys are not giving up, guys. Not giving up. Relentless. Again, that doesn't always guarantee a pump, but again, this is a pretty good indicator, a pretty good tool to be keeping an eye out for, right? So there you go. And then I'm gonna take a look at SPRT here. As Will Mead is pumping this on Twitter as well. 88.5%, guys. Short interest. 88.5%. But again, keep in mind that this thing is run to $60. But again, it's still 88.5%, like 2.7% interest increase of short interest here today. 8.24 million shares already. But again, guys, keep in mind, right? So what I'm trying to say here is if you take a look at the short data, guys, the short interest will, for the most part, again, for if you take a look, if you watch it very closely, usually it's going up. It goes up. It goes up as we're pumping higher. SPRT is pumping higher. It's going higher and higher and higher and higher. Right. So what you want to be careful with is, because again, what that tells me is this is not a short squeeze, right? Again, that's not the shorts covering. What's happening there is it's people FOMOing, right? It's retail investors anticipating a squeeze and FOMOing into SPRT and pushing it to $60, right? So you want to be very careful there with so there you go. David, can you on ENDP? I'll take a look. I know I've looked at that quite a few times already, but I'll take a look in a few minutes here. I'm sure. Is doesn't show no text? Showed exempt volume. Okay, okay, sounds good. Exempt volume. Also important. There you go. So 660 Mindy. Yeah. For any, yeah, there you go. Any 660. Any guys, if you're asking for any, there you go. Watch for 660 for support. Watch for $6, right? Again, so those might be your two scaling levels, right? So again, the super trend. Thank you very much. Thank you, Scotty. That's absolutely perfect there for the super trend, guys. Again, if you're wondering what the super trend is, I'm gonna quickly go back to my charts here. So the super trend is just an indicator, right? Again, just another tool in the toolbox here, right? Some SPRTs back above 24 of them. What is a super trend, guys? Let me see if I can give you an example here. That's a super trend, right? Again, a super trend is just another buy indicator here that we're using, right? Again, so that's a super trend, buy signal there, and then explosion there, right? So again, these super trends are more reliable on a longer time frame, right? Again, on a longer time frame, just like anything else, the indicators are more reliable, right? So daily, hourly, more reliable than the 1 minute time frame there, right? So keep that in mind. Some if you want to add the super trend into your charts, guys, on TradingView, again, there's a link in the description there for TradingView if you want to use that, right? So again, you go to FX at the top here, guys. You search super, just type in super. Type in super, and then is this one right here, super trend volume one buy sell signal, right? You click on that, it's going to add onto your list of it's going to add onto your list, and then you want to come down again, you want to click on it, you want to make sure you're clicking on it. That's not it there. So you want to make sure you are. Let me do that there. Not that there either. So these are very questionable. Some you want to make sure you come to your settings here, right? Come to your settings, go to inputs, and then make sure your factor is at 1, and then your PD is at 7 there. So that works a little bit better there for giving you for all that stuff there. So there you go. Alan, thank you, Alan. There you go. Thank you very much. Thank you, Scotty. Here we go, guys. AMC. Are we about to hit new highs, guys, on AMC? AMC looks very good, though. Looks very good. Morning, you're late. Iron, of course you're late. Of course you're late. ATR. What about ATR? We just looked at ATR, guys. Look at that the bull flag on GOCO. There you go, guys. GOCO. Another, yeah, another mini bottom feeder play, right? There you go. So if you're, let me see here. Waiting for cash to settle to buy a Fern. Okay, sounds good, Jenny. I can take a look at Fern in a bit here. So organize. I do, Matthew. I do. But then when you add the new tickers, Matthew, it oh, I don't know. It's just yeah. Like there's so many tickers, right, Matthew? Like if I start doing stuff like that, it's just all over the place. But I do every once in a while because yeah, I do every once in a while. But I'm waiting for. I'll fix it this weekend. It's not gonna happen. Not we'll see. There you go. And here we go. SPRT. Are we trying to get back about 25? Honestly, still the games, right? So still holding that position for now, but we'll see what happens here. So we'll see. What should be the exit number? Again, that's up to you, right? There you go, Matthew. What should be the exit number for AMC? What's the entry, Mohammed? What's the entry for AMC then? What did you get into AMC at? So what's your exit number, guys? Again, question for all of you guys that are holding AMC. What's your exit number? What are you looking to sell AMC at? Just let me know. What's that number? I feel like about to get some crazy numbers, guys. We're curling River Grant. We're curling on what time frame are you looking at, River? Curling. We're curling. I mean, there you go. A 150. Okay, sounds good. $200. $200 is it? Uh, I know, right, Amber? When I thought of that question, Amber, when that question came to mind, and I was asking that question, I thought of you like right away. I was like, oh no, Amber is about to give me something silly here. Amber, yes, give me a number. Patty says $65. Zane says $70. $48 for you, Rita. I mean, we're above 48 for now, right, Rita? So that was the exit number. Right. Make sure you have a stop loss there, right? 62. AMC is a hold. Danielle, there you go. Shazad says $100, $93, $200 for AMC, $300, 150. Again, 41. There you go. I think you know what's happened. Profits. Wow. Okay, there you go. First profits, $500 to $900, guys. That's Amber. I'm sure the shorts will. They'll get. been doing with just requires patience that eventually they'll suck it. There you go, DJ. Yep. Again, so I think the reason why you're seeing some smaller numbers now in AMC is because again, AMC is taking so long. And right, AMC taking so long. I feel like a lot of the people that have been holding AMC initially, people were excited for $100. Again, no one would sell AMC for like 70s and the 50s and the 60s and the 80s, nothing below $100. But again, as you can see now, people are looking for less. Why? Because again, AMC is taking so long, and then that expectation is slowly moving lower, right? So that's the issue there. So it's going to be harder now to get to 100 because people will be taking profits, right? So unless the shorts just decide to cover hard and then we just explode. There you go. Fami. Let me see here. What do I want to replace here? One second here, guys. One second. I see. Uh, 1 second, guys. I'm just quickly fixing some stuff here. Not on the list there. Not on the list there. Not on the list there. There you go. Did anybody so I know a bunch of you guys are holding FGOC. Did anybody what levels what are your entry levels for GOC, guys? GOCO. Uh what are your entry levels for GOCO? I just want to see. I want to see. You guys should all be green on that position, right? Again, that's another hot trades that's another mini hot trades play there, right? Again, GOCO there, right? That was another call from him, right? So if you bought that at $5 there or whatever, just below like 520 there, you're happy with that position for now, right? Again, now the question is, do not go red in that position, right? So again, I'm going to take a quick look at GOCO here because yeah, it's doing well. Like it's doing well, right? So I'm going to pull up that chart there and take a look at that there and this and this and this. GOCO, there's somewhere in the list. So there it is, right? So again, why did we like this play, guys? Again, because it's sitting at the bottom. Why? So there's a gap to fill on this chart, right? As you can clearly see here, you are looking for stuff like this, guys. Always looking for stuff like this. That's clearly found the bottom, right? Again, GOCO, bottom, bikini bottom, guys. And also, catalyst, there's a gap here to fill, right? There's a gap to fill at $8 here, right? So again, potentially run up to that level there, right? So again, we could potentially run up to that level. So if you got into this play here, make sure you have a stop loss now. Make sure you're not going from green to red, right, guys? Do you not go from green to red? Again, this is not a guarantee. Sure, usually these things fill the gap, but it's not a guarantee, right? So again, we'll find support. This is what we're looking for, right? We're trying to avoid all the FOMO, like all the FOMO plays. 530 for G. You got in a 504. Okay, nice. Florida. There you go. There you go. Go. I say 530. Okay, sounds good. You got in a Brad. You got in a 527. Okay, cool. Okay, cool. There you go. 527 for you, PJ. Okay. There you go. This is what we want. These are the type of plays we want, guys. Again, can we spam some hearts, guys? Can we spam some hearts in the chart for Mindy for finding this play? The again, it hasn't played out all the way yet, but it's playing out a little bit better, right? Again, can we spam some hearts in the chat for Mindy just to say thank you? Find those bottom feeder plays, right? Again, find those plays. Why? There you go, guys. Just something funny there, guys. Never mind. Unbelievable. So I'm gonna leave it there. Let's go back to the main place there. So I'm gonna go back to BBIG here. There we go. And fix up these charts here. And honestly, again, like AMC looks fine to me, right? Looks okay there. Only concern here on the screen, guys, is SPRT. Like that's my only concern. No worried about BBIG, guys. BBIG is doing its thing here. AMC holding above. Only concern here is SPRT. Like it's just not performing. Like it's just playing some very funny games. Yeah. So there you go. BBIG, guys, back above, right back above. A nice one. There you go, Dan. Yeah, $5 calls. There you go. Hearts. KPLT, it's frustrating you, Hazel. Okay, I'll take a look at KPLT. What's your entry, Hazel? Like, what did you get into that play there? Oasis, let's go. Love you too. No, Mindy's like, yeah, whatever. So the reason I'm saying that, guys, is because this is the conditioning, right? This is what we're trying to like preach, trying to condition. Again, I know some of you guys are going to come in and say, okay, like, well, we're pumping to the moon. Should I buy this play now? But whereas this, again, GOCO is what we're looking for, right? For plays, guys, we're looking for confirmed support. So when I say spam the hearts, it's not like we're excited to go anywhere, right? It's not saying like, well, we've gone anywhere yet. We're just saying, okay, well, these are the type of plays we want for the most amount of profit, guys. We want plays that are sitting at the bottom, not stuff that's up 100% already, and now you're chasing, right? So that's what I'm saying. Absolute rubbish. There you go. Good morning, M Dog. Let's get that. Let's get that. You're late to the party, M Dog. The word bottom feeder. Nathan says is in a room full of guys getting keyboards. Ultimately, a drinking game. Oh no, Nathan. There you go. Bottom feeder. A drinking game. There you go, Jameson. Yeah, bring him. Than a sandpaper. Oh no. There you go. I'm not gonna say that. Able to set a limit sell for 40 in now per share right now. It's about 50. I can only set it for 50. Why? Let me see if I understand this question here, guys. Last week AMC was $48. I was able to set limit sales for 48 per share on Robinhood. Now that is above 50. I can only set it for 50 a share. Why? Most likely because, again, so when you set those limit orders, guys, again, so your system has to be updated, right? And again, you should be able to do 50, right? Your limit sell, but that's a limit sell. So why can't you set it for higher than that? I don't know why. I don't know why. Robinhood is funky to me. Create a head and shoulder on the 1 minute time frame. Let me take a look here. Thank you, Linda. Uh Not quite yet, Linda. Again, that doesn't mean we're not gonna drop, but not quite yet. Unless you're looking at something else there. Not quite yet. I don't see it. If we start failing, like if we I can see what you're looking at though, right? I can see you're looking for that head there and then potential like shoulder there, and then the potential shoulder at this level as well, right? Again, honestly, doesn't matter. This thing is still giving me some huge warning signs, right? Some I'd be very careful with this. I'd be very careful with SPRT here. Some if we start if we start breaking below this level again, 3350 here, that's going to be concerning to me. So break below the yeah, some again, just be careful. Just be careful there. Try not to go from green to red, guys. Please and thank you. Right? Some BBIG, guys, watermelon. BBIG is just not uh just does not give up. That's what. Uh, yeah, I thought, yeah, 8 a.m. Pacific time. Then what's 8 a.m. Pacific to East to our time, Indy? What's that? Or, East Eastern time? What is that? How is it pissing you off? I mean, ATR has had a nice day today, right? Some guys use those. Looking like it's a good entry now for you, Dan. Okay, sounds good. AMC entry levels, Jay. I would love for, again, if you're looking for a brand new position, 5 more minutes. Okay, 5 more minutes. Okay, sounds good. So meeting in 5 more minutes for SPRT. Okay, cool. 4 minutes. Okay, thank you guys very much. Thank you. Okay, the different time zones, guys. Different time zones there. So if you're looking for a brand new entry in AMC, guys, again, I would let it settle. Again, if we can break above, right? If we can break above, again, I was saying about $50. If we can find new support at $50, and then okay, cool, we're good to go higher. There you go. So a little bit of patience here, guys. A little bit of patience. Try not to chase because if you're buying AMC now, you're chasing. You're chasing. That's what you're doing. BBIG, yeah, BBIG looks good. 11, thank you. Okay, so 11 a.m. Eastern. Okay, sounds good. Honest, I'm worried it will not break today at Francisco. Yeah, it looks concerning there to me. There you go. It's making me feel happier than Oh no. Go. Lorenzo says go. GOCO. GOCO, guys. It's funny though, because when I talk about some tickers like so much, they get stuck in my head, and then when I try and say other tickers, those tickers come up. So I'm used to saying SGOC, right? And now when I'm trying to say GOCO, it's not quite ingrained yet. So again, AMC looks good there, BBIG looks fine there, SPRT, skip it. Paul says, "What's a good entry? What do you think of CEI entry point again?" Feeling a chase on you're feeling a chase always on CEI. You're feeling a chase. Let me take a look here. Where is it? Where is it? Where is it? So we're currently just below 160 there. Yeah, you want to be very careful, like like around that level. If you're looking for an entry, and we're up 20%, right, Paul? We're up 20% here today. It feels like it feels like you missed that entry today at like 130, right? Like just around 130 there. That was the entry level, holding around support, right? So now we're pushing for 170 resistance. Maybe watch for like 150. If you're willing to take a gamble there, maybe watch for like 150 there, potentially up, Paul. But again, keep in mind that this thing has gone on a nice run here. It's Friday. Be careful on Fridays, guys. People take profits like it's because they want to not let the money be locked in for 2 days, right? So just be a little bit careful there. How's it got to feel? Lucky Charms at 41. Okay, I'll take a look in a bit. Just looking for a gap fill. Sahil, it's funny. Sahil Patel. Sahil, do I your name sounds very familiar. I don't know if I know you. Let me know if I do. So um so let me see here. SGOC just not SGOC, guys. GOCO is just, again, it's just the bottom play that has a gap to fill, right? Again, sure. I think there's something about NFTs, right? Mindy mentioned, right? NFT play there as well, but again, there's no catalyst as of right now. Just a gap and just the bottom. And SGOC, not SGOC, guys. GOCO. GOCO. Yeah, again, guys, you guys see what we're looking for in those plays, right, guys? Again, we're looking for the bottom, right? Looking for bottom plays like that. So if you bought the bottom there, that's what we're looking for. We're trying not to chase stuff that's up 20% already, like a CEI, right? Again, we're looking for those bottom plays. So again, that play was mentioned like a day ago, 2 days ago, and it's looking very good here today, right? So there you go. New member, guys, Jeff. Welcome, Jeff. Thank you very much for the support, Jeff. Really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you. Send me an email, Jeff. Email at the top of the screen there, and I will send you an invite to come join us in Discord. So there you go. Or Scotty is most likely going to post the message for you. So there you go. Okay, sounds good. Now, okay, just the gap fill. Okay, sounds good. So there you go, guys. Again, it's just the gap fill, right, on GOCO. GOCO, just the gap fill. So there you go. Thank you very much, Scotty. Thank you. Is a great play. Sticks don't go straight up. They need to. There you go, right, guys. Again, there you go, Brian. Thank you. There you go. Absolutely, absolutely, Sahil. Absolutely. Can you go over H gen, please? I will. I will. I will. Maybe I'll do that right now. Calls achieved. Just saying. TM. We just talked about workhorse, right? TM. I think you're watching, right? So again, workhorse is a play that's sitting at the bottom there. If we start to get some positive momentum there on workhorse, yeah, that might be a runner there, right? So again, we're gonna keep a close eye on workhorse, right, guys? So there you go. Just keep in mind. There you go. Uh, you're at the gym, Marco. Nice. You're pumping at the gym. Pumping at the gym. Says hey, I'm new. I have invested in BBIG. Nice, good job. You want to what's the entry? Do you want to share? If not, that's okay. Taking someone on a date after Brian. You're taking someone on a date. After 15 to 12 to 15, single for a long time. Man, so your dating life depends on BBIG. Come on, BBIG. Don't do this to Brian, please. Give the man some gains so the man can go on a dates, please, and thank you. There you go. Good morning, Adam. Went over all the there you go, guys. Yeah, there you go. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, Queen. Let me take a look at. So I need to take a look at plug. I need to take a look at HGen and then potentially workhorse again, maybe. I need a lesson. I'm holding AMC at $41, $42 there, and want to add more shares. What will happen to my average cost if I buy more shares today? Your average is going to move up depending on the amount of shares. Let's just say you bought 1,000 shares at $42. Let's say you bought 1,000 shares at $40, right? $40. You bought 1,000 shares at $40. We push all the way to $50. You buy another 1,000 shares. So again, now your average, since you bought the same amount of shares at two different prices, your average is now going to be in the middle, $45. That would be on your new average now. But when you buy shares higher than your entry level, again, depending on the amount, your average price is going to move up, right? So, and when you buy below, right, your average price is going to go down. So there you go. M dog, beautiful, has more potential, more potential. That's okay, right? We're not here to judge like the merit of yeah, some. If you like ATER better than BBIG, guys, that's fine. Nothing wrong with that, right? You can make your own, you can do your research, right? Right, so there you go. And tell the reps on AMC. There you go, Isaiah. So let me take a look at H Gen here. H Gen. So I'm going to quickly pull out again. I know you guys are. Let me take a look here. But I feel like I want to just quickly take a look at ATR here, guys. If I do that, just under 1 minute time frame here. So, ATR there. 12. Nice. I thought maybe this thing was like at $10. You guys said this play was frustrating, and it's still up 20%, guys. Like, what's the panic here all about? Like, it's just a little retracement he has expected, and we're bouncing already, right? Just a retracement to the 9-day EMA, guys, like we do all the time, right? Again, right? Nice push, 9-day EMA, right? 9-day EMA, right? 9-day EMA here, and we're going again. What's the concern here on ATR, guys? What's the concern, right? So 20, 18, 19%, guys, on the day, right? So no issues there. So there you go. I want to take a look at HGen. Again, guys, if you can give me some details, Humanigen. Uh, is that what it is? Yeah, that's what it is. And here you go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Um, I bet you there's some news here to this. FDA declines Humanigen's application for Lumab emergency use authorization. There you go. I'm sorry. There you go. Again, FDA said no. FDA said you can suck it, right? And guess what happened, guys? Again, this is why you always want to have your again. If you're buying at support, right? Again, support bounce, support bounce, support bounce, support bounce. But you also want to make sure you have a stop loss just in case, right? Just in case. Again, if you just in case we break below this level, you're not any again. You can never predict stuff like this, right? FDA said no, right? So again, FDA said no. We've gone from $16, guys. FDA said suck it. Gone from $15, $16, all the way to $6 here, right? That's a huge drop, right? Huge drop. So just be careful here. If we can find support at $7 here, seven, right? Okay, maybe it's a good gamble, maybe. But again, that's some negative news, right? So yeah, I don't know what to tell you there. Unless we can start building support around that level, and okay, you can take a gamble there. But for now, it's this is a decision you're gonna have to make on your own, though, right? So there you go. Michael Clark says thoughts on any. Let me take a look at any here. Thoughts on any, guys. Any is any okay, guys? Any okay again? I think we talked about again like scaling levels, guys. Again, nothing's changed here, right? I know this is messy, but again, the scaling levels for any here have been like what, guys? 660, right? Again, 660. As long as you hold 660 and $6 there, this thing looks okay, right? Again, so we just need to clear $7, guys, and 750 here, right? Again, so 660 is your entry level there, right? 660, $6 there, and then we need to clear seven. Ultimately, though, we need to break above 750 there, right? So I'm failing to break above 750 there. We're just in a range for now, right, guys? Again, just going sideways. As you can see here, we're pushing right back down to 660, pushing to 750, right back down, right? Again, we're just going up and down, up and down, up and down. So we're in the middle of that range for now, right? So again, if you're holding this play, watch that 660 level there. Watch $6. If we start breaking below those levels, then that's concerning. But for now, this chart looks okay here, right? Even though we're down about 50 cents here today, we're still bouncing off that 660 level, right? So watch that level there. And then obviously 770 there is a key level to break above. Not quite doing it yet. You can see we're struggling at that level. 1, 2, 3 there, struggling at that level there on any. Andy, you say your stop loss on SPRT at 2220. Okay, sounds good. So they're doing the meeting now. Okay, cool. SPRT meeting going on. Okay, cool. What is any news on Brown says, is there any news on IC? Yeah, there's news on IC. They got a price target upgrade. $18 price target upgrade from Credit Suisse. Brown is wrong with BBIG. Iron Man fan says, what is wrong with BBIG? There's nothing wrong with BBIG. What do you want from it? What do you want? Brian says, what's the entry level for ATR? Let me take one more look at ATR, guys. Then we can go back to the chart we're watching here. ATR again, it'd be $11. Right? Are you gonna get 11? I'm not sure you are, but again, it would need to drop to 11, right? But if we do drop to 11, you need to make sure that level is holding, right? So, but for now, let me take a quick look again, guys. It's Friday again. It's easy for me to tell you like what to do because on Mondays, because again, like we have the whole week to go into, right? You have the whole week to look into, even if you do mess up, but it's Friday, like people take profits on Friday and then you have a 2 day weekend and then momentum dies and then it's just a completely new week, different week on Monday, right? So you want to be careful when you're looking for brand new positions here on Monday. You want to be very disciplined on Fridays, sorry, right? You want to be very disciplined on Fridays, right? Again, be very disciplined, right? Again, entry here, stop loss here, like just like a robot or whatever you want to call it. So there you go. So let me go back, guys. AMC is still holding there. BBIG is still holding there. Right. So here we go. Yeah, there you go. AMC holding 50 there, $50, right? SPRT is still chilling at 24. And then BBIG here, just failing, guys. Again, there's some strong resistance. Honestly, this level here has been 1130 has been has been that's been tough. Liquid on the IC chart. Okay, I'll take a look. I'll take a look in a bit. Give me a few minutes here. Liquid. If you have to remind me, okay, that's cool. But yeah, remind me if you have to. That's a way. Why? That's pretty impressive. 23K of CEI from 70 cents. That's amazing. That's pretty amazing. Oh, not gonna lie, that's pretty good. That's pretty amazing. Good job. Good job on that play. Amber's amazing. Amber's amazing. Andrew's amazing, guys. Thank you. Andrew's amazing. The team is amazing, guys. Amazing, amazing. Christian's amazing. Emson's amazing. Sofiatu's amazing. Amazing, guys. Kelly's amazing. Jay, Java on the beans. Let's go. Has resistance. Okay, thank you, Kelly. On a Friday. A lower. There you go. Yeah, again, I'd be careful on Fridays. If you're looking for brand new positions on BBIG, I'd be cautious there, right? Again, as you guys can see, obviously, right? There's an issue here at 11:30, so be careful them. Any update on SPRT? Updates in terms of what? In terms of like, what are you looking at? Idea, what are you looking for? Because we talked about SPRT, right? So much already. What would you like to know? Again, they're doing the meeting right now. GME is flushing. I can tell. I can tell by AMC struggling here, guys. I can tell that GME is struggling because again, yeah. But again, as long as we close above $50 here today, I'm happy with that. That's all I'm asking for. Again, we can expect a retracement to 47 potentially, right? But if we can close above $50 here, that'd be amazing. So merger vote. Okay, no update yet. Deal. Okay, okay, sounds good. Yeah, no updates yet. No updates yet. I'm sure once the updates come through, we're gonna be able to tell a deal by performance on the chart here. Nothing yet. So, oh no, Andrew as truly amazing. The entire community is incredible. Peter gets a C plus, but it's all good. There you go. Thank you, Andrew. Let's go. Super chat. Any is going green. Any going green? Any going green? Green. Yeah, nothing yet. A deal. The Andrew's cool. There you go. There were some tickets I wanted to look at, but I completely forgot. Andy says Hex. Is Hex a stock or crypto? Andy, thoughts on Hex? Can you chart it? Let me know. Andy, is Hexa a stock or thing there or crypto? How is Gion? Eon Kim? GOCO looks fine, right? As you can see, right? It looks okay. So yeah, there you go. Uh, how's Bitcoin, bro? Can you see the chart if what's happening, Steven? How's Bitcoin looking like? Let me take a quick look, just a quick peek at Bitcoin here. I just want to quickly, because I know we're supposed to be streaming crypto as well, guys. I'm sorry, just been busy, guys. I know we do crypto streams all the time, but there hasn't really been anything happening after the crash there, right? So let me quickly, if I can there we go, right? So BTC is below 45K, and yeah, again, like we talked about this not too long ago, right? If you're looking for an entry into any of these plays, guys, okay, sure, if you believe in them long term, right, you can buy some Doge, you can buy some Bitcoin if you want, But for me personally, I would be very careful. Why? Because again, that crash, guys, should just scare you a little bit. The fact that they can crash the crypto market like that for no reason, right? What I need to see is confirmation, right? We need to either find new support before I look for a new entry. Otherwise, yeah, no go for me. So there you go. How do I feel about G side? Okay, here's I'll take a look at G side there. At least for the gap fill, as there you go, Austin. There you go. Yeah, gap fill. And BBIG, guys, again, BBIG is fine, right? BBIG is breaking above 1130, right? Cool, cool, cool. What do we need to clear though? We need to clear that 1160 level there, guys. 1160, and then we're looking for $12. 1250. There you go. There you go, guys. And yeah, again, it's gonna be interesting to see what happens here after the meeting. So, AMC guys, again, nice retracement here, right? Again, if we can continue to hold levels like this, that's amazing, right? So, can we continue to hold this $50 level here? Which we are. We came back down to 50.10 here and holding. So, here we are bouncing again. So, there you go. Come on, apes. Come on, apes. Come on, apes. 18%. Can you see a huge dip on Doge? Yes, Steven, right? Like 18. Oh, you mean like 18 cents? Again, like if you believe in it, sure, scaling, right? But again, my suggestion for you would be to show a little bit of patience, right? Because again, as you can see, that was pretty that was a pretty scary drop out of nowhere. So I would be patient. The most I'd be doing with that, Steven, is slowly scaling in. Some I need to take a look at G side. I need to take a look comments on IC. Okay, yeah. Does BB have juice? It has a little bit juice. And you know, Paul, like we just need a little bit of juice, and then the juice is gonna fix itself. Today around hold for the gap. Okay, GOCO could be a play, no financial advice, but a high on the short list and getting Twitter love from Wilmy 2, volume to XTDale for okay, sounds good. I know Roots is another one that we've been looking at, right, guys? We've been looking at Roots quite a bit in terms of like short interest is there, right? Some good short interest. Again, it's GOCO is running, guys. We need more screens, guys. We need more screens. Just so we can like go back and forth. Do you guys want to do? I don't know. It's just because you guys can see that, but I'm gonna add more to the thing here, guys. So I'm gonna add. I'm gonna make this messy. There we go. I'm gonna add another ticker here, guys. What do you guys want to add up here? What would you guys like me to add to this here? Some GOCO is another one that you guys that were watching very closely here, right? Some we can roots. Oh, here we go. GOCO there, guys, is what I'm gonna add for now. So here we go. GOCO, guys. There you go again. Bottom, and now we're up about 6-7% here, right? 37 cents here. And some again, very nice. These are the type of plays we're looking for, right, guys? Again, bottom, and here we go. BBIG, guys. Look at this thing go. Look at that thing go, guys. Here we go. GOCO. Hazel. So we're gonna know Hazel once the news comes out, and just keeping track of SPRT for us in terms of like news. So once that comes out, we're gonna know right away. Wow, look at that, guys. It's just a sea of green. Sea of green, guys. Sea of green all over the place. And here we are, guys, on BBIG, guys, crushing that level, guys. Crushing this level here at it's 1160, right, guys? Again, if you look at the previous time frame, again, we tested this 1160 level last time and backed off, right? So again, here we are testing that level again here, right? So let's see if we can crush that again. SPRT is trying to recover here now, right? Let's see if we can push here. Let's see if we can gain some momentum here and start pushing. GOCO, guys. There you go, right? There you go. This is what we look for. And AMC chilling above 50. I like that. I like that. In the words of DJ Khaled, guys, I like that. Friday green. Who knew? Justin, Friday green. No, Friday can be green. Justin is just like the profit taking, right? It's just the profit taking like into the close. That's the only issue, right? People take profits, right? Again, into the check is approved. There we go. Approved, guys. Approved. 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 Andrew. SPRT mergers approved, guys. SPRT mergers approved. So I'm just quickly reading this here now. Let's get it, Hazel. Let's get it. But again, if we start breaking back below, if SPRT, guys, starts breaking below like 24 again, 23.50, and then that's a bye bye for me. Why? Because again, if you're not pumping on the merger news, when is yeah, so just be careful. SPRT merger is approved. All the relevant big funds like Vanguard and have already voted their proxy votes in favor of the merger proposal. There you go. Merger approved, guys. Approval, Stevie. There you go. Should I enter SPRT now? Guys, we need to honestly, if you're looking for 1 second here. 1 second, 1 second, 1 second, guys. There you go. I went into SPLT NAS. Okay, SPLT call option. Okay, cool. Approved, guys. Approved again. News versus reaction, right? What we're waiting for now, guys, is reaction. We're waiting for that reaction. We're not quite getting that as strong of a reaction as we should be getting, though, right? You can see here that we're clearly just again. It seems like we're just stuck here for now, right? We're just chilling here. Again, this is a after an approval news, guys. We need more than this, right? You want to be very patient here. Just wait for the. I'll be patient here with this place. There you go. There you go. HGC holding 570 there, AMC holding 50, and BBIG, guys, again, we know we have resistance at what level, guys? 1160, right? Again, support at 1130, resistance at 1160 here, right? So we are failing at 1160. We need to, that's another level to break up and then move. So here you go. Some messy charts, guys, messy charts. You're starting to buy in Queen. Okay, sounds good. It's sitting at 21. Okay, sounds good. Again, I slowly scaling on that play, right, Quinn? Slowly scaling. Why? Because again, it's had an again. These guys had some good news, right? They pumped all the way up, but then came back down to that level, right? That's again, even though we're sitting at some very good support, right? That's a warning sign. That's a warning sign there. Chris says crypto's crashing hard. Yeah, we can maybe do like a crypto stream tonight or something. What do you think about BTBT? I think BTBT like entry level might be like $10 then. So for here we go, guys. Here we go on SPRT. This is what we want, guys. We want this news to come through and get this thing back to green. That's what we want. This thing needs to get back to green. Here we go. At least we're getting some positive momentum here with that for now, right? Getting some positive momentum here. So that's a good start. Good start, Hazel. There you go. MMAT is moving. MMAT moving, guys. We're gonna be rotating like tickers here, guys. Up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down. So 1 second here. I'm gonna fix some stuff here. I know I have to take a look at GSAT, guys. I know I have to take a look at I know I have to take a look at GSAT. I know I have to take a look at I see there. So if I haven't looked at that yet, I'm sorry. I just so busy. Again, guys, reminder, let's get to 500 likes, guys, and do a giveaway. Giveaway of 500 likes, guys. So smash a like, guys, if you haven't already. Hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and if you can share the link as well, that'd be amazing. So go, guys, let's get to five. Let's go five, guys. So thank you. No, absolutely, Hazel, absolutely. Please take. Amin says take a look at LIC. I've been watching that one for a long time. Amin, I'll take a look at that as well. There's some. If you haven't, let's go, Paul. Thank you, Eduardo. Yeah. Virtually, make it. We should make it rain. Oh, no, guys, it's okay. We're in this together. Yeah. So here we go. GOCO there. I almost want to take a look at MMAT because I know MMAT, guys, is one that we've been watching for a long time as well, and I just haven't looked at it for quite a bit for now. So, Josh is getting excited here. MMAT, yeah, there you go. Again, nothing's really changed in MMAT, right, guys? Again, you entry levels. What are your levels, guys? Again, all the way down here, right? So, again, if you got in on that dip, right, on a MMAT dip, I'm not even gonna go down anymore. Seems like my lines disappeared, guys. Absolutely gone. That's okay. So we talked about $5, right? Again, support at 520, support at 5, support at 490 there, right? So for now, again, what do we need, guys, in order for the MMT to start moving here, to start pushing? We need to clear $6, right? Again, every time we hit $6, guys, we struggle, right? So MMT on the fall right here, guys, needs to clear $6, right? That's the next level to watch. Come on, SPRT. We don't need red candles. Don't need no absolutely no red candles here, please. AMC, fine. Fine. There you go. Yes, MMT, please trader Jeff. There you go. MMT is on the screen there, guys. So there you go. No, I'm just fixing some stuff here, guys. Just fixing stuff as we go along here. Uh There we go. Fix there. And there we go. Super chat from Hazel. You, who's following? Oh, you guys. Oh no, Hazel. It's okay. Thank you very much, Hazel, for the super chats celebration. The sun is shining on me, like DJ Khaled says. The sun is shining on. All praise to the Most High. Let's go. Thank you very much, Hazel. Really appreciate your like interaction, your knowledge, everything. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. Thank you. Um, is waking up. GSAT is waking up. Okay, cool. I know I need to take a look at GSAT. So, can we put 18 more tickers on the screen? Andrew, Peter, y- suck it. Point entry. Right, Peter. I know, right? Sandy, Austin. Oh, this Peter Sass. What do you think? Consider scalp at Detroit. Okay, I'll take a look at GSAT. I need to take a look at GSAT, and I also need to take a look at. So I'm gonna do that right now. So I need to get the super chat up the screen there. I just said. Where it says SPRT just sad right now. SPRT is not performing, guys. So again, if SPRT starts breaking below like 23.50, you know what? It might just have to. Might just have to be one for the future. Right. So there you go. AMC looks like a watermelon there. So again, I'm gonna quickly do. I want to do that, but AMC is looking good, guys. But again, I'm just gonna do that, guys. No, AMC, come on, there you go. AMC here looking good. So I want to take a look at so G side here, guys, and then I want to take a look at LLC there. I want to take a look at some G side. Global Star, Global Star, waking up. Are we waking up, guys? Waking up. And this is what you're looking for, right, guys? Again, maybe this is a good example of what we talk about, right? Again, what you're looking for is a break above, right? Again, a nice push above. You're trying not to FOMO, right, guys? Again, try not to FOMO. What are you looking for? Again, these shorts love to come back and test their previous tops. What are you looking for there? Okay, cool. What was the previous top, guys? Again, that's 190, right? 190, 193 there, right? So again, we push, we come back down to 190. We confirm that we're holding it. 1, 2, 3, confirm holding, and now we're pushing, right? Again, what's the next level of resistance above this level, guys? We're looking now for $3, right? Looking for $3 on G side here. If you're looking for an entry here, it's not honestly not the easiest thing to say, right? Again, it's easy for me to tell you to buy here. Why? Because again, easy 120, right? Okay, cool. It's easier for me to tell you to buy on a retracement back to this level. Again, why? Because previous top, right? Again, that level is important there. It's important there. So again, what do you look for on the way down here? You're looking for right there. But now as we're approaching this level here, it's hard for me to tell you what to do, right? So again, G side has some good momentum. So again, that's fine there. Maybe look for like 250, right, Hazel? But I'm honestly not sure here, right? As you can see though, we're having those wicks though, right? Again, Wednesday, Thursday, and we're forming another wick again here, and not again, right? So that's my only concern here, right? That's my only concern here with G side. So again, next level resistance though is at $3 there. So there you go. Let's see. I wanted to take a look at LLC there. Lithium. This thing's back above 23. Uh wow wow wow. Wow wow. There's a story with this sticker here, which I don't know if I want to share, but just there's a story about this to here back to theirs, so that's pretty cool. LSC looks fine, like it looks very much okay here, right? Only concern here is if you're in display, kudos, congrats. If you're not, be careful. Why? Because again, that there, right, and a flush, that there and flush, right? Well, guess what, this here and flush was sitting at the same level again. We're trying to form somewhat of a cup and handle here. So if you're looking for an entry here, my suggestion would be either wait for a retracement to like, I don't know, 20, whatever, 20, 21 there, or let it break above this level here, right? Again, this level is like, I don't know, if you can close above this level, like around like above 23, 23.10 here, okay, and then it's good, right? Again, we're sitting above 23 for 23.10 for now, but we need to hold above that level, right? You can go from there. But again, if you're holding this name already, it looks very good. Looks very good. There you go. There you go. Again, you're giving me no details, right? So I can only tell you like what the chart is saying here without like details. So, oh yeah, I see. I want to take a. Have I looked at that already today? I have at some point here. So there it is, right? So, again, guys, gap ups are usually for what? Gap ups are for selling, right? Again, this thing was up as much as 75% here. People took some profits around 15, right? And I just want to zoom out here a little bit just to see if we can find any other levels here. Yeah, again, my concern here with this is be careful around 15. Why? Because if you zoom in here a little bit, you're going to notice that 15 here, again, that's a huge sell-off, right? 15 break below and flush all the way to 5, right? So again, you want to be very careful around numbers like that, around like $15. You want to be very careful there. So I'm going to need to zoom in here more. And guess what? Well, failing at $15 right there, and 15. Okay, no, that's 15. 15 right there, right? So again, failing at $15 and backing off here to 13, 60, 60, 60, whatever there, right? So I'm going to take a look at a smaller frame there just so we can take a look and see what's happening there on IC there. TTO, guys. So if you bought that dip, guys, again, here's your dip, right, guys? We talked about, again, do not FOMO into this play on the way up there, right, guys? Again, we talked about this morning. These guys had some news, right? Again, don't FOMO. Wait for what level, guys? Wait for a dollar, right? Again, wait for a dollar. So if you waited for a dollar, like a dollar one, whatever, you got a dollar here, you got a dollar one. Well, and now we're back up here, right? So again, there you go. If you got that play, congrats. I think Josh got into this play like around a dollar two here, right? So there you go, Josh, right? And now we're bouncing up here. I think Andrew got in this play as well, right? Around a dollar as well. So there you go, guys. So there's your nice retracement. There's your bounce up 21% now, right? So looks okay there. But I wanted to take a look at IC in like a smaller frame here. Some IC seems to be finding support right around like 1350 here. Support around this level again. Now it seems like we have a double bottom here, right? Double bottom here on the 1 minute time frame here, pre-market. Again, that level seems to be cool there as well. And then yeah, okay, cool. So double bottom right around 1340 here, 1340, and here we are. We're trying to bounce here, right? So again, maybe that's your potential gamble area there, right? Maybe that's your potential gamble area. But if you're playing with that thing there, make sure you have a stop loss in mind, right? Again, Friday profit taking up about 60% right now. So just be again, that's what you again. Wow, okay, that actually played out really nicely. So 15, guys, 15, 15, 15, right? Again, so we're failing at that level. Be careful there, right? And we're finding new support here, so it looks okay then. For battery, which is good for EV, family told me. Yeah, no, I mean, I know a lot about it. I know about the batteries. I know a lot about like L is, yeah. So there you go. AMC is 51. There you go. Yeah, I heard if you get 500 likes, BBIG will hit $12. Yeah. Today, check it out the volume. Okay, OSAT. Kelly wants me to take a look at OSAT there. So thoughts on today. 1 second. OSAT. OSAT. Let me take a look at OSAT here. I'm gonna have to take a look at the daily here. That's look at that there, and then that volume coming in there. Kelly, there you go. Support right there, and volume looks like 1.2. Okay, wow, that's a lot more volume today here on all side, which is expected with a nice move here, right? Again, you guys see how a lot of these names can be easily played, right, guys? Again, patience, right? Patience. A lot of these names that are moving up nicely here are sitting out, guys. Again, if you're patient, right? If you're patient, you do not FOMO, you can usually get a nice entry and get rewarded, right? Again, support, right? Again, support. Nice support at this level. Nice strong bounce all the way to what level, guys? $15. Nice support again here at $5. Well, guess what? We're now pushing to $7 again as well, right? So yeah, OSAT is having a nice day. So again, it's easier for me to tell you to scale in here than it is for me to tell you to buy after an 11% move, right? So again, if you want to, that's up to you. But next level of resistance here would be like Kelly would be like, again, like going for $8 there, right, Kelly? I'm not sure if that's the same level you have, right? So but there you go. 5 entry, right? For now, you can see that we're trying to form support just around like $6 here as well. So every dollar seems to be important here for OSAT there. So let me take a look at something else here. BBIG, guys, in the range, right, guys? Again, 1130 support, 1160 resistance, right. Again, earlier this morning, 1160, back down to support, right? Again, back above, and now we're just in the middle, guys. Again, indecision, right? The same thing we talked about yesterday. Again, we were waiting yesterday for someone to break above, right? Either again, what level, those levels, can't remember the levels, guys, can't remember some. Again, for now though, we're waiting. Again, if we break below this level, people might panic sell a little bit, but if we break above this level, people are going to FOMO, right? Again, we're waiting in the middle here, indecision. Someone's waiting for someone else to do something, to move first. AMC, guys, above what level? Did what? How many charts did I have up last time? So I had four. Look at this, guys. Look at SPRT here, guys. SPRT is at 22. Yeah, that's it, guys. Yeah, this is absolute rubbish. Like that's rubbish to the highest extent there, guys. Look at that. 14% red on on SPRT here. Yeah, that's this is hugely concerning, guys. Again, this thing might be done here. That's like one red candle, like one manipulation candle here. That's we pushed all the way to what? Look at that, guys. Look at that trap. We pushed all the way to 2580 on that play there. 2580, and then on the very next candle, that's an absolute like ball trap there, right? And then flush all the way down here. We halted. Yeah, we're halted on the way down here, guys. That's pretty scary. Like that's pretty scary there. BBIG holding. AMC here, trying to clear that 51 level there, and then MMAT just chilling above 550 there. So yeah, I'm interested to see what this thing on halts at. SPRT, guys, halted. Unbelievable. Sense is moving. Okay. I know, right, Bart? I know. That's quite the trap there on that play there. So SPLT entry level J, yeah, I'd be careful, guys. Again, SPLT said that multiple times. Be careful, right? Wait for the reaction again. This news, right? Selling the news, this news, then this reaction. We haven't seen the reaction yet. We are seeing the reaction now, right? So be very careful there. There you go. If you're looking for SPLT, guys, I'd just be holding my hands on a Friday here, not doing anything with that thing there. So BBIG is flushing too a little bit, right? So yeah, BBIG here. There we go. Is my thing on? Yeah, there you go. Fully on. Yeah. So I'm currently just chilling just below 11:30 here. So halted on that play there, guys. Yep. Short attacking in a matter of seconds, exactly right. In a matter of seconds, guys. Again, there you go. That was a lot of selling there. Someone. SPRT. I know. Honestly, Hazel, that thing has been concerning me all day today. So that was wild. Yeah. Lunch flush for BBIG. Is it lunchtime already? Wow, almost 30 minutes. The days even can I check sundown? Sam, it depends. I don't like sundown. It depends where your entry is. Sam, let me know what you're looking for, and then I can take a look at sundown for you. The rumor exactly, Virgo. Buy the hype saw the news, right? Wild, wild. Buy the hype saw the news, guys. Buy the hype saw the news. In other news, BBIG support now 11:30. In other news, oh yeah, to halted to stop panic selling. Yes, there you go, Donnie. Yeah, that's the whole intention, right? Again, halted to yeah. RSKD. I'll take a look at Dan. I'll take a look. I just want to see here where this thing is on haunt. It's gonna open at we're gonna open at 0, guys. Just kidding, but not kidding. I want to see where this thing's gonna on haunt at them. SPR team. That's incredible, honestly. Like a move, that's the ultimate trap, guys. The ultimate FOMO trap, right? Again, pretend like we're gonna push to 26, and then the very next minute you crash it to $21, guys. That's pretty impressive. MMAT just chilling this. I'm gonna put up three so they're more visible here. So three. Here we go. And yeah. So BBI AMC here, guys, again looks very good to them. Looks very good there. Can you call me Wood still? Okay, sounds good. Dan, you're gone for so long. So I just you're gone for so long, so we changed your name. You think it's gonna bounce back, Zane? Yeah. I'm just interested. I want to see what happens when it's unhalted here, guys. Again, the vote, the merge is approved. Jenny says the Heritage can suck it. The merge is approved, guys, but the issue is the run happened, guys. Again, the squeeze, potential squeeze happened, right? The FOMO for the squeeze happened, right? We went from again. It's that not that the new run is not gonna happen. Just saying, right? Again, the run from $4 all the way to $60 happened, right? Again, the FOMO, right? Played out already. That's my only concern, right? Again, all we have now is a potential by the hype saw the news. So merger approved, but do we have a date still, right? That's what I'm gonna have to take a look at here. So looking okay. Shiver says rest in peace. Rest in peace, SPRT. No, guys, let's wait and see what happens here, right? So again, patience, guys, patience. So again, guys, reminder: if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, if you can take a second and smash a like, hit that subscribe if you're new to the channel, and share the link as well. That would be very much appreciated. So they triggered so many stop losses, Hazel. I know. Yeah, so many stop losses triggered there. Come on halts already. On halts. I want to see what happens here, guys. Joe, again, with stuff like this, guys, again, we always tell you guys, take profits if you're happy profits, right? Again, make sure you're protecting yourself because, again, you never know what's going to happen after stuff like this, right, guys? And here we go. On halts, guys, on halts. Let's see what happens here. Come on. And are we going to keep dropping here to zero? To zero, guys. Back to 20, right? Back to 20. 20 maybe. Let's see. Again, honestly, you can't really do charts with stuff like this because obviously there's a lot of volume coming in here. So I'm not even gonna bother looking at the chart to find support or anything else. We're just gonna watch and see what happens here. As you can see, these three candles are trying to find support here at 22.30 here. So that's a good sign. But again, let's see what happens, right? So hopefully this is just a panic, just to scare people a little bit. We'll see. But again, this is concerning. This thing's been concerning for most of the day here today. Here we are trying to bounce, right? So we'll see what happens, though. Back to 24, please and thank you. That'd be nice. Back to 24. Uh, this thing is volatile, honestly. 26 to 21 in 1 minute. Less than a minute there. AMC, what are you doing? There you go. Come on, SPRT. SPRT, super chat guys from KC. SPRT, you can't make chicken salad from. Unbelievable, guys. Unbelievable. Here we go. We're trying to mount some green candles here, guys, but we have resistance at 50 there, right? Some at 23.50. So we're trying to clear that level there. Trying to recover here a little bit. Honestly, look at this rubbish, guys. We're back to 24, almost $24 there. Like it's so all over the place. Again, I don't know what to tell you. We just have to be patient here and let this thing settle before we move on. Market is messed. Yeah, this is pretty crazy, guys. Like the volume that's coming in here with the volatility on these candles, on these like last 3 minute candles here, like these last candles here is crazy. What did Matt do? What did Matt do? I'm so immune to this after being since April. I know, right? DJ, when you're in clove, guys, that was crazy. Oh, Brian, I know. Uh, uh, it's working fine. It's a issue with YouTube. Not he's fine. Who's fine? He is green screen and has a weird alien voice. What's going on? His stream crashed. Oh no. Matt's stream crashed there. Okay, just YouTube issues. Okay, there you go. That laugh? Oh no, guys, leave me alone. Leave me alone. Just kidding. SPRT hit yes, support and bounce up that level more than tech. Yeah, again. So SPRT here looks again. It seems like we're trying to recover here a little bit, but we need to now clear this level. As you can see, we're now failing to clear that 23.50 level, right, guys? Again, 23.50 is a level of resistance, right? So again, these guys, their merge is complete. Their merge is complete, right? My only concern is the squeeze, like right again. I know it's heavily shorted. We've looked at OTEX data there. We're pushing 90% short interest, guys. That's huge. That's huge. That's unheard of, right? Again, that's unheard of, right? Unheard of. So again, uh, it's gonna be again. If you're looking for a position here, you're willing to take a gamble. Okay, cool. Go ahead. That's up to you. But I would be a little bit patient here. So there you go. And then AMC, guys. Again, AMC is playing up very nicely here, right? Again, we wanted to. We've been waiting this week to clear what level, guys? $50. We've been waiting to clear $50. Well, finally above $50 here, right? Again, was this expected, guys? Again, based on market psychology, we have been expecting. We've been expecting it, right? We've been expecting AMC to break above this level. Why? Because of this, because of the market psychology chart, right? Again, if you take a look at this chart, guys, again, AMC's played up pretty perfectly to this chart, right, guys? Again, look at the bottom left, look at Hope, right? Again, remember that push to 47, right? 47, retracement to $40, right? Again, just follow the candles on around that Hope area then. Again, push to 47, retrace to $40, another push to 47, play around 47, break above 47, push to $50, right? Again, push to $50, potential retracement to 47. Not quite sure if that's going to happen, right? Because we know there's a lot of momentum that comes in, right? Again, now the question is, where do we push to? Come back and test $50 and then push again and then explosion, right? But again, for me though, breaking above $50 here, guys, on AMC, we are on the right track, right? On the right track, on the right track, on the right track there. So there you go. Super sticker for Jean Paul. Let's go, super sticker. Thank you very much, John. Thank you very much. Really appreciate that. On right now, wow. Peter, yeah, we have a lot of people watching. All the meme stocks, Crown Jewel didn't give BBIG enough credit. He didn't give BBIG enough credit. Yeah, BBIG is a watermelon, guys. BBIG is a watermelon, right? So BBIG is a good play here. Again, it's holding support very nicely. We've talked about all these levels here, right? Again, holding 1130, that's amazing there. Some you want to be very careful here, again, guys. You want to be careful here with SPRT. You want to be very careful if you're looking for brand new positions here into Friday, guys. You want to be a little bit cautious here. Honestly, this one's for me for now. Again, based on this action here, uh, it's giving me some red flags, right? A lot of red flags here. So just be careful of them. Some there you go. How do you feel about KPLT? I'll take a look at KPLT, guys. I'll take a look at some rapid fire here. Some maybe let's do that now, guys. Again, so please rebound SPLT, Lord. I know, right? It's very questionable, honestly. So let me take a look at some rapid fire. Let me do some ticker requests here, guys, and then we can move on. We can move on. We can come back to these names here. So whatever you're watching, just let me know, and I'm gonna quickly do some TA on it. Right. So again, I'm gonna start by looking at KPLT here. KPLT again, we've talked about this one over and over and over and over and over, right? So again, I'm going to quickly pull up the daily chart here again. You guys can see that's your entry level, right, guys? Again, support. Again, you're looking to enter at support. You're looking for resistance, right? Again, some again entry level there. We push all the way to one level, guys. Again, it's $8 here. Retracement a little bit. Form a cup and hand again. Cup. We're forming that. We're trying to form a handle here, right? So for now, as you can see here, the base of the handle here is forming at $6, right, guys? Again, so that was the next entry level again, right? So again, nice push, retracement, support at $6, and here we are moving again, right? Again, as you can see, we're struggling at the 50-day moving average, right? So again, 50-day moving average, 50-day moving average. So you want to be a little bit cautious here, right? Some again, nice cup handle. If you're holding this play already, it looks completely fine. Your next level of resistance is $8 here, so you'll find them. Florida Go says, can you take a look at CEI? Of course, of course, of course. We've looked at CEI multiple times already today, right? Again, looked at CEI multiple times here. Your support level is 130, right? Support is 130. We talked about this multiple again. Some if we can clear 105, come back and test 105, that's your entry level. Next level resistance is 130. We push all the way to 130 there, and here we are pushing for one. Next level of resistance, guys, is 170, right? You guys can see how close we got to that level actually. So 1 second here. So we're looking for 170. We hit 166 there, right? Again, that's your next level of resistance there. So right there. So you want to be careful again. Try not to FOMO as we approach those levels, right, guys? Again, try not to FOMO at those levels there. You wait for support, right? So again, as we approach 170, you want to be careful. If you're in at 130, you're in at 105, you're completely fine still, right? Again, just make sure you have a plan, right? Stop loss, profit taking stop level there, right? A trailing stop loss, whatever you need to do, do that. Do that, please. Mike says sorry. Why are you sorry? What's a watermelon? Watermelon is just a watermelon. Is this it's just I'm not gonna say anything else. Thank you, Fonzie. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I know there's so many takers, guys. So many takers here. I missed the super chat here. Some 500 likes. 500 likes. Let's hit it. There's more than 1,000 people, guys. Yeah, guys. If you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, take a second and smash a like, and let's do a giveaway, guys. If you guys can smash a like and get to 500 likes right away, we can do a giveaway, guys. A hot trades giveaway. Hot trades giveaway, guys. So there you go. So yeah, smash a like if you haven't already. Super chat from Brian here. Thank you very much, Brian. Layla. I just they should started small. Watch for the hedges in here now. Warning. They also are goals of yeah, I know, right? See on YouTube, Nathan. I know. Used to be a watermelon. Speaking of BTBT, what do you think on BTBT? Sure, let me take a look at BTBT, and then I need to take a look at John Paul wants me to take a look at BRYYF. Okay, so that's an OTC play then. So I'm gonna start by looking at BTBT here. Again, BTBT is a play that we know the levels by like hard because we've been watching this one for a long time, right? Again, entry level for BTBT is $10, right? Nothing's really changed here, right? Again, that's $10 there, as you can see, right? Wood, right? 10 support, right? We came back all the way down to $10, right? And push back to 14, which is the next level of resistance. We're failing at that level. What are you looking for here now? Now you're looking for $10 again, right? Looking for that $10 there. So nothing's changed. And if you're getting in at $10, make sure you have a stop loss just in case we decide to break this level and go back down right again. Entry, pump. We're looking for this level again, right? So support some. And then what am I looking for? BR. Let me quickly see what the ticker is. BRYYF. BY. FD, OTC, play the Amani Gold. I think we've looked at this already as well. So this one, the super penny stock here, right? So I think we talked about, yeah, we've talked about this already as well. Wow. It's amazing how like we talk like so many tickers, guys. Again, well, as you can see here, right? Look at this, guys. Like look how easy this one is. That's the entry level. Why? Because every time we get to this level, that's a pump, right? That's a pump. That's a pump. That's a pump. That over and over and over. So again, that's the entry level. Unless we can find new level of support, which it seems like we're trying to build, right? Again, guys, as you can see, the reason why some again in order for there to be a new level of support, we need to clear the previous level, right? So what's in the previous level, guys? Again, 0.002 here, right? Again, some failing back down, right? Again, so failing and back down here. So again, for now, we're trying to hold support at it. Right now we're sitting at this level, so if we can find a way to close above this level, hold above this level, this is going to be a new level of your new entry level, and then now we can look for a new level of resistance, right? Which is going to be like all the way up there, right? So there you go. Again, some if you're in this play already, right? If you got in there, okay, you're okay. But if you're looking for a brand new position, I would wait for stuff like this, right? You want to wait for it to confirm, right, that it's holding before you look for an entry, right? Because now it's questionable, right? We're retracing here a little bit. You want to look for stuff like this, proven support, right, guys? Proven support, proven support. I think I'm missing a few things here, so I'm sorry. There you go. Some super sticker from Dan, guys. A super sticker from Dan. Let's go, Dan. Thank you very much, Dan. Really appreciate that. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Messi, Jean Paul. There you go. Uh, Another super sticker from IC Dub. IC Dub, thank you very much for the support. Let's go. Guys, again, remember, if you are not a member yet, come join us in Discord, guys. Discord is super fun. Is it even in slow mode, guys? I don't think so. So come join us in Discord, guys. Again, come join us in Discord. Discord is a lot of fun. A lot of these plays are talked about in Discord as well, right? So I'm going to switch back over to AMC and everything else, guys. Again, I just wanted to do a little bit of take a request there, and then let's move on here. So let's go back to BBIG, guys. BBIG and AMC and all the other names, right? Again, BBIG, guys, still playing at 11:30. Nothing's really changed them. And then what else? AMC, SPRT here, $23 still. Okay, cool. We're trying. AMC, guys, still holding $50. Again, if we can close above $50, guys, that would be amazing. There you go. So question for you guys on AMC. We're currently sitting on 77 there. Question for you guys. Just type in yes or no. Do you guys think AMC closes above $50 here today? Yes or no? Do you guys think AMC closes above $50? Rita with the super sticker. Let's go, Rita. Thank you very much. Thank you. If you there you go. Yeah. No, you think wow. It's yeah, Msen says no, we close below 50. And Annabelle says yes. Justin says most definitely. Okay, cool. Nishan says, wow, I'm getting a lot of no's actually. A lot of no's about AMC not closing above $50 here. Again, AMC, Clove, yeah, Clove is Dan says, Wood says no as well there. Wow, we're getting a lot of no's. I would love to see BBIG close at 11:49 and AMC close at 69 69.420. Unbelievable, Jameson. Unbelievable. AMC above $60 today. We're wonders. Yeah, I'd be surprised to see AMC above $60 here today, but again, you can never write anything off on a play with a lot of momentum. Again, especially if shorts decide to cover, right? So there you go. As apparently SPRT done. Yeah, guys, we'll see. Yes, positive vibes, guys. AMC above 50, please. We would love to see that again. According to the market psychology chart, guys, what are we looking for? We're looking for potential again. Hoping we can hold $50 here today. Even if we do retrace to 47, again, that's completely okay, right? Again, retrace to 47, come back to $50, and then go from there, right? So again, that cycle has been playing up very nicely. So it's 1180. Uh, Options, yeah, sure. M sense, right? Again, workhorse sitting at the bottom there, but you need confirmation. M sense, right? We talked about workhorse, the fact that okay, sure, we're sitting at support, but you need another green candle here to confirm, and then we can go from there. So, SPRT done? Oh no, I'm not saying it's done, guys. I was just reading a comment there. So someone said SPRT done. Just reading that comment there. Is SPRT done? Is anything ever done, guys, in the market? SPRT is still gonna have a lot of volatility here. Uh, oh yeah, what I completely forgot about your ticker there. RSKD. AMC apes, would you rather? Oh, that's a question for the apes. I think you know what your answer is. Josh. AMC apes, would you rather BBIG squeeze first, or or BBIG fail, as long as wow. Josh, we'll come back to the question there. So, you're welcome. You're welcome, man. Sense. How are you? I'm good, man. How are you? I'm good. So Dale, welcome, Dale. Dale is a new member, guys. Welcome, welcome. Thank you very much for the support. Really appreciate that, Dale. Welcome to the family. Yeah. Again, if you can, so Scotty's gonna send a message, post a message for you in the live chat there. If you can't find that, if you can't find the link to come join us in Discord, Dale, just send me an email. Email at the very top of your screen there, and I'll send you an invite to come join us in Discord. So BBIG squeeze, and then all in on AMC, and then make it squeeze. Afonzi. Okay, there you go. Mao says welcome, 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 welcome. Christian says SPRT is done. We'll see, guys. We'll see. I want to see what it's doing. Oh no, the ticker. So MSense Torch. The ticker was TRCH, but it's now MMAT. There you go. Again, Debbie. So those entry points. So Debbie's saying, do you have an entry point on anything right now? So again, Debbie, we talked. I don't know if you were here yesterday, Debbie. We talked about GOCO, right? And then it's up what 7% here today. In terms of anything else for an entry, Debbie, it's Friday, right? You know, it's Friday. You want to be very cautious on Friday because again, there's just a whole lot of volatility, and also people taking profits into the weekend, right? So SPRT may make a comeback, Hazel. We're holding on to I don't know what we're holding on to here, Hazel. Right, so there you go. AMC holding $50 still. So there you go. And BBIG, guys, BBIG is the strongest one here on yeah. So for right now, the strongest. Number 15 on the short squeeze list. From 90 to 15 tonight. Wow. Okay, cool. Mouse. Wow. Thank you very much, Mouse. Thank you. That double bottom blue. I know, right, Hazel. I know. It's gone. It's gone. It's gone. So. Thoughts and sense. Again, sense. We talked about sense, guys. Sensonic. That sense, right, was a good entry position. Was a good position at $3, right? Abim. Does anyone have OTEX or SPRT? I heard it's getting close to 100% utilization. This thing is not done. We expect an attack as soon as the merger was announced. Yeah. Yes. We looked at that earlier this morning, and then yes, you're correct. And the short interest is currently sitting at close to 90%. So it's heavily shorted, right? Again, not a huge amount of shares, but that's not what matters, right? So there you go, Joe. Is it managed squeeze? BBIG is a managed squeeze. Don't mind that as long as we keep going higher. And honestly, SPRT, guys, again, we talked about this, right? Again, you want to be careful here, right? With the merger, right? This news and this reaction, right? Now we had the news effect right immediately. Now we're getting the market reaction here, right? And it's not the best, right? So again, I feel like again the fact that this thing's heavily shorted is causing again it's becoming an issue, right? Because again the shorts are not gonna say anything else, but yeah, there you go. Greetings from Singapore. Let's go, B. Singapore. Hi. There you go. Catch a knife. Oh no, yeah, guys. You don't want to catch a knife. What are you looking for, guys? Again, like we talked about multiple times, right? Again, what are you looking for before you buy? If you're looking for an entry on SPRT, guys, what are you looking for? Look at the bottom left of the chart, guys. What are you looking for? You're looking for confirmed support, right? Otherwise, you're catching a knife, right? Again, you want this thing to prove to you, right? Again, once we start getting multiple, right? multiple tests and holds at the same level there, just like we did at $18, right? Again, $18 just above 20 there, test and hold, test and hold, test and hold. That's what you look for, right? Again, for now though, you want to be a little bit cautious, right, guys? You want to just be a little bit careful here. Again, let it find support, right? Again, you might not get a chance to catch that support level because SPRT is so volatile. But again, for the best entry positions, guys, again, you want to let it settle, and then you can look for an entry there because again it's confirming support, right? Again, everyone's watching the same chart there, right? So there you go. What am I looking for here? There you go. Again, if you guys are unaware of the BBIG dates, I think most of you guys are completely aware of the BBIG dates for now, right? Again, so September the 15th is the next date, right? Next week. Today is the next week. Again, that's the record date for the proxy, and then September the 22nd, mailing of the proxy, shareholder meeting on October the 14th, and then October the 15th there is a record date for the side spin off dividend, right? So there you go. Noham from Nahom from Sweden. Wow, Sweden, guys, all over the place, all over the place. Double SPOT double bounce. Double bounce, yeah, no SPOT, guys. You want to be patient with this name here. Yeah, it's a no touch for me, guys. No touch. It's absolutely no touch for me for now. So there you go. Both like okay. Sweden. Bulk of people taking their lunch breaks in America. Time to buy some AMC. Matt, you screwed. I don't know what you do. I don't know if you're screwed or not. M-Sense. Here we go. Again, don't try not to touch this thing, right? Again, try not to touch it. Again, be careful. We talked about this all day today. Be a little bit cautious on this name because again, you need to let it settle, right? Again, let that news reaction come through before you make a decision because for now, this thing's an absolute it's a bloodbath here, right? Again, even though it's heavily shorted, again, guys, we said it over and over and over. Again, just because something is heavily shorted, guys, doesn't mean it's a guarantee pump, right? Again, it's gone to $60 already. You want the chart to confirm to, again, you want a good entry, right? So there you go. Sweden 18, 18, 18, 18. Let's see here. Oh, guys, if you haven't smashed a like yet, guys, let's smash that six. Let's get to 600 likes, guys. Let's get to six. Again, we're doing a giveaway at five, right? I think that's what we're doing. So giving away some hot rates merch, hot rates coffee mugs there. So again, smash a like if you haven't already. Let's get 500 likes. Let me know when we are crushing 500s and getting to 600s. Let me know. Uh, did he do the member sticker? Oh no, member sticker. Member sticker. The next couple hours are gonna be crazy. You know what, guys? We're gonna switch it to members only for now, guys. Again, members only for a little bit here, and then we can move on, right? So again, want to make sure that I'm not missing all the member questions here because I most likely am. So there we go. Gonna switch it to members only there for a little bit, guys. So there you go. Guru says, "Good morning. Hope all is well. All is well, Guru." CRTD, TD Pep. That's interesting. It's interesting you mentioned that. Uh, it's interesting you mentioned that. I'll take a look. I'll take a look a bit here. Pep, yeah, I don't know if you're. Well, once I take it up members only mode, if you're still here, you can ask. I'll let you know. Some shows were abundant. Did you say GOCO? Yes, Debbie. Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I think it was mentioned like yes, a few days ago, like around 2 days ago. There you go, around like $5, right, Debbie? For again the fact that we're sitting at the bottom, which is what we're looking for, right? You're looking for those. You're looking for support, right? Looking for support. Looking for support. So that's what we. That's why that was mentioned. And also, there's a gap to fill all the way to $8, right? So it's yeah, and it's what it's yeah, it's pushing to 570 already. So I don't know if you want to wait for a dip there, Debbie. Some Apple APM. Okay, I'll take a look. Yeah, there you go. As you think, oh no, Rita. Let me take a look at something here. I want to take a look at Wood's question here. So, your ticker here. So RK. What's the ticker, Wood? RSKD. RSKD. RSKD there for Wood. Riskified. Oh no. Oh no, word. Yeah, look at risky fight. Risky fight. The name scares me a little bit. I don't know. I don't know. Are you in this name already, word? Are you in it already? Again, there's not a whole lot of information, right? There's not a whole lot of information here. So it's hard for me to tell you what to do. We're down about 10% here. Not quite sure why. Let me see if there's any news here. Reports widen second quarter loss. Issues with revenue forecast above street view. Okay, cool. Which made the market debut late in July reported a widened second quarter loss and Thursday issued a revenue forecast. The e-commerce fraud management company posted in revenue of analyst poll okay, cool. The strong okay, cool, whatever. uh Again, would I be looking for this name, right? Again, stuff like, again, you need this thing to settle, right? Because if you're buying here right now, you're potentially catching a knife, right? Again, let this thing settle for you, right? Again, maybe that level is 30. Again, if we let it settle, I'd be waiting for this thing to settle before I make that decision on what to do here. Again, maybe your entry level might be like 29 here, which is where we're sitting at for now, right? Just around 29. uh because of this previous level here, but I'd be patient, like what, I'd be very patient on that name. There's some members only chat, WTF. There you go. On sale, Quinn. Okay, sounds good there. Thank you for the super chat, John. Thank you for the super chat. Yes, members only chat for a little bit. Wayne. So not as of yet. Okay, sounds good then. Sounds good. Uh, roadside. There you go. I don't single one. I'm just saying because I don't see every single. There you go. It's getting to you, buddy. Guys, we need to thank you. There you go, education, right? So again, I'm just trying to make sure that the members are getting their questions answered, guys. Before, before we move on again, we do like we're streaming for 8 hours a day. We can do 5 minutes of members only chat, and someone's annoyed about that. Someone's annoyed about 5 minutes out of 8 hours of a members only chat. That's okay. Hi, I see that entry for DTST there. Okay, let me take a look at DTST there. And second here, DTST data storage. So we're currently green here today on DTST. Them again, it looks good here to me for now. This seems like a this seems for me. And if you're looking for an entry level, I'd be a little bit patient here. Why? Because we could easily have a retracement, right? So again, we just talked about those wicks, right? We talked about those wicks, right? Um, where's this question come from Dustin, right? We talked about those wicks that you want to be careful around those wicks, right? Here we are, right? Again, you want to be careful around levels like this. Again, as you can see, initially support them, right? Support. So on the way out, that level is not going to become resistance. As you can see here, right? Failing Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, failing at that level there. So my suggestion for you would be wait for this thing to either break above like 750 here, and then you can 750, right? Break above 750, right? Confirm that level is holding, and then we can look for a new level all the way to $9, right? $10 potentially, right? Again, either you're waiting for this thing to break above and confirm, otherwise you're doing stuff like you're gambling a little bit, right? Let me see if I can find another level here. Otherwise, you're gambling that we're gonna break this level. We can easily just do this, right? Again, do that, and then flush, right? Again, do this and flush, right? So be careful there. Again, wait for this thing to break above that level. If you're in it already, that's fine. It looks okay. It's okay if you're in it already, right? Because we're moving up. But if you're looking for a brand new position, you could be potentially buying the top there, right? Before we retrace. Either wait for that to claim, or you're waiting for a potential retracement here to $6. So those will be your next two levels there to watch. Well, can all these people watching and not even liking when there's giving so much value. I know, right? So there you go, guys. You can yeah. Any's down 5% today. Any's down 5%. Yeah. MMAT as watch for watch for 520. Like again, your entry for BBIG MMAT potentially was yesterday, right? Again, $5, right? Again, 520, $5 and 490 there, right? So those were your levels, right? So there you go. Uh oh, I've made more. There you go. I've made more with Blaze in a week than I made months with Matt. He's 100%, 1,000% worth. Let's go. Let's go, Hazel. Absolutely. Smash the like, guys. If you haven't smashed the like yet, smash the like, hit that subscribe, and share the link as well if you can. And also, I know some of you guys are asking for a level of membership higher than $2 or whatever. Well, if you want to upgrade, there's a new level now, right? So there's a new level. You can upgrade if you want to. There you go. 9%. Only 9 cents a day to be a member. 9 cents a day. Yeah, you guys pay me yeah. Yeah, I didn't. Yeah, sometimes I question my decisions, but I quite enjoy it. Sometimes the questions. I promise you. So we'll see. Why are all my stocks green? Bill, is that a bad thing? Everything if anyways, he lets you know. This group is amazing. Thank you. Yeah, exactly right, Hazel. Yeah, exactly. If something is sucking, he lets you know. Guys, I'm not trying to sell you again. You work hard for your money. Like it's if you lose a position, like if you lose in a position, you're right. I'm not trying to sell you anything because again, for the most part, I benefit in no way from you making a lot of gains, right? Again, sure, I can. For the most part, I benefit, right? So I don't really benefit from you making a lot of money. So I'm not trying to sell you any type of rubbish here. So if something's rubbish, I'll let you know it's rubbish. It doesn't matter. BBIG, right? If BBIG is rubbish, I'll let you know. If AMC is rubbish, I'll let you know. I'll let you know again. So there you go. New members, guys. We have some new members. Forehand, welcome, Forehand. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much for the support. Really appreciate that, guys. TD is not a new member. I feel like TD is upgrading. So if someone's upgrading, let me know, guys. Let me know. Let me know what levels people are upgrading to, guys. I can't really see that stuff, so on my streaming software here, so it doesn't tell me unless I go to YouTube, which I don't. I might in a bit. So there we go. Again, TD, thank you very much for the support. You've been amazing, so thank you very much. Farhan, I know you might be new to like membership stuff, so welcome to the family. Scotty posted a message there for you. Farhan, I don't think you're not in Discord yet. So again, if you can find the link to Discord in the members only tab there, members community tab there on YouTube, there you go. So there you are. That's a message there for you from Scotty, guys. So all the new members, guys, again, Discord link. If you still have any questions, guys, just send me an email at the top of the screen there. So there you go. There's that. How do you hold your bladder? The only question you have for me, Nathan? I don't know, Nathan. It was an issue before, but I feel like it's giving up on me now. It's Nathan. It's giving up on me. So, formal level. Much love. Thank you very much. Thank you, TD. John Wayne, become a member, guys. John, let's go, John. Thank you very much for the support, John. Thank you. Really appreciate that, John. I know you are annoyed by the. I do appreciate you. You're thank you. Welcome, John. Thank you for the support. Thank you. Just again, I want to make sure again we have a lot of members, like a lot of members, right? So I want to make sure I'm at least getting some of the questions for the members because again, that's part of it, right? So there you go. Might be glitching here. Fix. Come on and fix. Come on and fix, guys. Just waiting for that stuff to fix them. Again, let me know when I start glitching here, guys. Let me know when I'm glitching, please and thank you. It seems to be fixing for now. So there we go. Adam, also a new member, guys. Adam, welcome, Adam. Thank you very much for the support, guys. Let's go. Welcome, guys. Really appreciate that. Again, reminder if you haven't smashed a like yet, take a second, smash a like, and hit that subscribe. Can I check Zella? Of course I can. Can you check Zella? Let me take a look at Zella here again. Zella is another one that we've been watching and watching there for quite some time now. Some Zella is currently sitting at 227 here. Some again the entry level for Zella for now. I'd be watching is $2 here, right? Again, you can maybe take a gamble like around 210 here, right on Zella. You're right. So again, as you can obviously see here, we know we have resistance on Zella at what level? 268, right? Again, so 268 is your next level resistance there, right? But this thing has support at $2 here, right? So $2 might be is your perfect entry if you're looking for one, right? Again, $2 would be that level there. But if you want to take a gamble like of the 100-day moving average here of like 210, you can if you want to, right? Again, that not financial advice is up to you there, right? So there you go on Zella. Again, when you're getting into these plays, guys, again, you have to have a plan, right? You have to have a stop loss, please and thank you, right? Again, you have to have a plan. Stop loss, right, guys? Again, you're not just buying and hoping, right? Solid investment. You're not just buying and hoping that we go to the moon. You need to be prepared for the downside as well, right, guys? Again, so I'm gonna switch. We have some new members as well here. I think we got Adam, Stevie. Thank you very much. Stevie has been giving me some good. I can see Stevie's comments here in the chat. Stevie's been sharing some good knowledge here as well. So Stevie, thank you very much for the support. You know what to do, Stevie. There you go. Thank you very much, Stevie. Thank you. New members, guys. Mark, welcome, Mark. Thank you for the support. Really appreciate that, Mark. Welcome. Pumping for the new members, guys. Welcome to the family again. Make sure all of you guys come join Discord, please, and thank you. Right again, if you have any questions about the link, Discord link, just send me an email. Email at the top of your screen there, and I will send you that link over. So again, don't make sure you come join us. Make sure you come join us. We really appreciate the support, guys. Thank you guys very much. So there you go. Let me see here. I'm holding. So Farhan says I'm holding Neo. I'm holding Neo. Should I hold? What's the entry for Farhan? What's the entry for Neo? Let me know. Let me know. There you go. So I started 2 weeks ago. You had 35,000 subs. Today you have 37.5. How good is your team? Amber, Mindy, Scotty, Marco, Neo, everyone. Sorry if I missed anyone. Yeah, I know.